Vishwajit Naik. Okay, Lord calls for the petitioner, Mr. Amit Kumar
Patro, my lord. TTR.
Patro, appearing on behalf of Mr. Vishwajit Naik, submits that since the matter has been the issue raised in the reputation has already been resolved accordingly. He doesn't want to pursue the matter. Next.
Item number 2.
I'm grateful, man.
2. Non-appears. List the matter on December 20th. 3.
Serial number 3.
My lords, the ask for drowning matters, my lords. Drowning, my lords. Where did you drown? My lords, the deceased was going to bath. Going to bath. My lords. Going to bath where? Along with his friends. He was studying Ramakrishna Ashram, my lords. Who? Ramakrishna Ashram, M. Rampur. Madanpur Rampur. My lords. Hence, at the tank, how did he die? Gadhoi jaithila with their friends. Pani podikri murichi. Gadhoi jaithila pani kete log gadhoi kete marandini. Se tank re jo with their friends. Who tank re? Ashram compound bhitare gote tank ଅଛି. Se tank re kete bada tank? Size kete ho? Size kono mo janiche khali apna dubri binala bale etiki question pachana tank bale ediki bi tank hi pare. हाँ भी परे ये रूम एडे भी परे यार 3 गुण भी परे टैंक केते केडे बड़ टैंक जानि बेनी को टैंक रे मरिवार संभावना केते से जानिया पे दरकार नै नॉलेज केते केते टैंक केडे बड़ टैंक किछ लिखाई नै टैंक कैन बी सी टैंक कैन बी ऑफ दिस साइज मे बी ऑफ ट्वाइस साइज मे बी ऑफ थ्राइस साइज तारो बंध को भी टैंक कहा जाय तमिलनाडु रे एदी बंध बडा कर दियंती त चारे सीमेंट रे कर दियंती टैंक इरिगेशन ता चले तमिलनाडु रे बहुत चले तारो दैट इज आल्सो टैंक तारो सांग मन सहित गाधौतला त गाधौतला मरि गेला ताको कंपनसेशन मिडियो ले माने अछि रेगुलरली आमे गाधौतलु आमे गुड बंधक जाके गाधौतलु त आमे कय मरिनु से कय मला किछ त कारण थिबो ना एंद खाली मरि गेला बोले कय देले हियो आपण जो गाइडलाइन को मीट करछन सेटा देखिबार अछि हां से खाली टैंक रे मरि गेला बोले आपण कंपनसेशन मिलि जिवनी whether you meet the guideline or not, that is important. Show me which guideline you are meeting. Fell down inside the water. Sir, falling down inside the water is not attract the compensation scheme, sir. Try to understand. Just simply going to some tank and falling down in the tank is not going to help you. You have to say how. It should be an unnatural death. Copy देछंती मार्स कोन किंती बची your lordship kindly come to page डेली ए केस करछंती आपन ओटे तो ए फिंगर टिप से यूज होइबा कथा एति आपन जानना प्रतिदिन पर आपन खाली कंपनसेशन केस करछंती म आपन एति कंपनसेशन लॉयर बोली कहे आपन एति इंफॉर्मेशन आनिबिनी कंपनसेशन खाली जानि के केस फाइल कर ले जिवो किंती हला कोन हला लिखिबी नै डिटेल अब किछि लिखाइ नै आपन फाइल रे खाली आइला मरि गेला दे दिया मते कंपनसेशन एति हुए my lord kindly come to page 15. The final report submitted by the last paragraph. Your lordship will see the last paragraph, 4th and 5th line. Yes. He was suffering from catalepsy since his childhood. On the day of occurrence, that is on 21/10/2016 at 9 a.m., the deceased boy was going to take bath along with his friend at the tank situated inside the ashram compound. At that time, suddenly he became unconscious and fell down inside the water. But here the report is accidental drowning. Unconscious, then fell down inside the tank. That is the finding of the. Guideline कौन कहूँ? Guideline कहूँ then your lordship guideline. आप पढ़ांदो ना से guideline पढ़ो. Drowning other than during flood. Drowning other than during flood. It is drowning other than during flood. That he should get it.
I'll take it.
ଲୋକ ପାଇବେ ପଇସା କଣ
No, no,
ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ପାଇବେ
I was just assisting your lordship. I am not denying that.
assist him also.
My lord, I'll just take it.
ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ନ ଆସିଲେ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି ଏମିତି
Smallest.
ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଅଧା ବଡ ସିନ୍ଦୁର ଟିକା ଚନ୍ଦନ ଟିକାଟା ଲଗେଇକି ପଳେଇ ଆସୁନି ପାଠ ବି ପଢିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଚନ୍ଦନ ଟିକା
My
ଲଗେଇଲେ
lord,
ହବ?
my lord.
ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ପୂଜା କରିବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଖାତା ବହିରେ
Prepare
ଟିକେ
ଗଲେ
ପୂଜା
ହେବା
କରନ୍ତୁ।
କଥା ହଁ my lord.
କିଛି ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ କେସରେ ଆପଣ ସେୟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଶୁଣୁଛି ସବୁବେଳେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଆପଣ ସେୟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ନହେଲେ ସବୁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିବେ ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଡିସମିସ୍ ଯୋଉଠିକି ଯିବେ ଯିବେ ଏ କଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ନକରି ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ହେଲା ଚୁପଡି ଛିଡା ହେଇଦେଲେ ବାସ୍ ଖାଲି ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ମାନେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଣ୍ଡାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଣ୍ଡୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଫରକ ଏତିକି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଦ ଓନ୍ଲି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଆପଣ କାଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ନହେଲେ ଦେଖିବେ
ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କାଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ କାଲି ଆଉଥରେ ଲଗେଇବେ ମାଠ ପୁରା ଥରଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ କେମିତି ହେଲା ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କେମିତି ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଅଛି
ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି ପଢିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେମିତି ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଇଜିଲି ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠୁ ମତେ ଗଲେ ଛିଡା ହେଲେ ମତେ ମିଳୁଛି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତ ଛିଡା ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଦେବିନି ଯା ଆଜିଠୁ ଛିଡା ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଦେବିନି ଭଲ ଆର୍ଗୁ ନ କଲେ ସିଧା ଉଡେଇଦେବି council has failed to make out a good case ଲେଖିଦେବି ଛାଡିଦେବି ଯାହା ଯାଉଥିବେ ଜଣେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁହଁକୁ ଦେଖୁନି ନା ମୁଁ ସେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟର ମୁହଁକୁ ଦେଖୁଛି ବୋଲି ଦଉଛି ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୁହଁରେ ମୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ବି କେସ୍ ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଆଇଲେ ଖାଲି ଉପରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ମୁତି ଯାଇଥିଲା ପଡିଗଲା ମରିଗଲା ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେନି ସେ କୁଆଡେ ମୁତି ଯାଇଥିଲା ବନ୍ଧ ଖଣ୍ଡିକି ସେ ମଦ ପିଇକି ପଡିଗଲା ମରିଗଲା ଏମିତି ଆର୍ଗୁ କରିବେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ବୋଲି ଦେଖେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଆଉ ସାପ କାମୁଡା ବେଶୀ ଆସେ ନା ତ
ହଁ।
ସେଇଥିରେ ମାଷ୍ଟରୀ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ରେଲି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମାଷ୍ଟରୀ କରିପାରିବେନି ଆପଣ ମୁହଁରେ ସେ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ରହିବା କଥା ଆପଣ କାଲି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
Your lordship, he has annexed the guideline that annexed 2.
ସାର୍ ଛାଡ଼ ସିଏ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିବେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫିଟ୍ କରିକି ଛାଡିବି ମୁଁ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଇବି ପୁରା ଏଇ ସବଜେକ୍ଟରେ ପୁରା ମାଷ୍ଟରୀ ନ କରିକି ଛାଡିବିନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ 2 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ଦଉଛି
My lord.
ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମରୋ ସରି ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର
No my lord.
ନାଇଁ ପୁରା ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ
Drowning
ନା ଆପଣ ପଢିକି
without
ଆସିବେ
that, during flood.
ହଁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପଢିକି ବୁଝେଇବେ ମତେ ଓଡିଆରେ ନାହିଁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
The scale and norms of various item of relief and for immediate repair restoration of damaged public is infrastructure as applicable shall be same as
ତ କଣ ଆପଣ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ପଢିଲା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ପଢିଲେନି ଆପଣ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ପଢେ ହେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପଢି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମରୋ ନାଇଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଯିଏ ପଢିକି ନା ଆସିବ ତା ପାଇଁ ମୋର କୌଣସି ନୋ ସିମ୍ପାଥି ସରି
no my lord sir.
ସରି ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ସିନିୟର ଲୋକଟା ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ନା ଆସିବେ ୟଙ୍ଗ ପିଲାମାନେ କଣ ଶିଖିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
Yeah.
ନା ନୋ
Drowning ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଲେଖା ହେଇଦେଲେ ହବନି ଆପଣ ବୁଝେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ନୋଟ ବନେଇକି ମତେ ଦେବେ ଏଥର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ କେସରେ ନୋଟ ବନେଇକି ଦେବେ ନୋଟ ବନେଇବା ସେ ନୋଟରୁ ପଢିକି ଆଗକୁ କରିବେ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ପରଦିନ ନୋଟ ବନେଇକି ଦେବେ You prepare a good note of 2 pages, 1 or 2 pages and give me that. प्रत्येक केस रे बिना नोट रे मैं आपण केस फोबड़ देबी काल तो मन रखिदम आपण स्पेसिफिकली गुड रूल हला when you are arguing a case prepare a good note and give it to me आपण के सबुतरे मु रिलीफ दोची किंतु आपण केबे भी गुटे केस रे प्रिपेयर करी आसना को केस रे आपण रिलीफ पाइ नाथि मते कहले मैक्सिमम केस रे देछि रिलीफ बट यू आर नॉट कमिंग प्रिपेयर्ड दिस इज नॉट डन आपण सब टेक इट ग्रांटेड आपण होजन मु गले तो छिडा गेला दे देबो मु कहि प्रिपेयर करबी ए दरचंद ना देबिनी जांग
My lord sir.
sir nothing doing day after tomorrow next
My lord sir. Bylaw to
next item sorry
Item number 4.
May I please your lordship?
आपण day after tomorrow लगा देबो प्रिपेयर न कल मु देबी सेमति देबी this is not done
My lord, after obtaining the certificate from the opposite party number 3, the director of the industry, my father had started a tire resoling center from the year 1968, and that is continuing till today. And after the death of my father, I have already taken the GST number, and it is continuing. Basing on the allegation of the opposite party number 4, the pollution control board opposite party number 2, without any notice, made an inquiry, and that is
inquiry what on what
That is the opposite party number 2 told that there is an allegation from the opposite party number 4 that you have not taken any permission under Air Control Pollution Act, Section 25 of the Air Control Act. So you running the unit. And similarly, in another case also, that opposite.
केस कौन तो आगो आपन केस ता कौन पछा
Yes, I have running my unit since
You might
1968.
be running, sir. In 1968, this air and pollution, this act was not there. When
That
you
has come
started
into
your
in the.
Just a minute. When you started your company at that time, the act was not even born.
My lord.
This came only into 1986.
Basing on the letter.
Just basing on पछा कहबे मो कथा सुनंतु. तो जदि आपन कंपनी चलीला 68 रो करले 68 रो कंटिन्यू न्यू एक्ट कम. Is it not the duty of your company to get registered on the new act?
My lord, my lord.
Have you done it?
My lord, no.
Then
My lord.
how can
That's why I have filed the compliance annexure 3, which is pending before the opposite party number 2. In similar nature, lordship also.
Similar कथा छाड़न तो सर एक केस
नहीं,
आगे जाओ आगे एक
one
केस
thing
आपसे देखा दो नो आपण सिस्टमैटिक जानतु आपण केबे फाइल कोटी करले देर मत देखा दो
Annexure 3
3
at page 16.
16 This is you have done on which date?
24th 7 20,
2023 after notice dela pare आपण जागिले
My lord,
तापर
my
आते दिन सोई पड़ते
and thereafter I do not know about that.
सर thereafter कथा नुहे एते दिन आपण चलेले ए जो ट्रेडिंग
No,
सेंटर
there is no pollution. Basing on the allegation of opposite party number 4, who was the brother?
pollution नाही बोली के सर्टिफाई करिवो आपण ना मु करी कि ना pollution control board करी
No, pollution control mode must have been given notice to me prior to inquiry.
must have been कौन भाई why must
There
have
is a
been
violation of the principle of natural justice.
आज्ञा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जैसे केतेबेला आसे आपण जे निज काम आपण ठीक करते सेतेबेला प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल निज काम ठीक करनते सेते प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जैसे आसे
Basing on the report of the opposite party number 2, I have already filed the compliance report.
Just show me one document which says that you have complied under the new act 86 पर आपण कोठी
No, I have not.
then they देबेनी से माने तापर हठात से लोक मला पर आपण सी गले नोटिस आइला पर रिप्लाईटा दे दिले आते दिन कोठी सोइथिले आपण इज नॉट योर ड्यूटी रिटार्डिंग कोन पोल्यूशन करूनी केते पाखा पाखे जाई परनी गंधे हेते जे एटा पोल्यूशन होय रिटार्डिंग टायर रिटार्डिंग जो करंदी
तो सॉफ्टवेयर
ये छोटा सॉफ्टवेयर पोल्यूशन होची ना नहीं लोक से पाखा पाखे गले गंधुची ना नहीं धुआं बाहर ना नहीं यार को पोल्यूशन होची ना नहीं होनी रिटार्डिंग रे होई नहीं तो आपण गरम करथुबे से जो
माने बड़ बड़ मशीन बसैछन सेडा सब
जो माने आपण डोंट टेक इट दैट लाइटली आपण काम आपण करना सिंपल
similar nature lordship already issue notice in another case also.
भी करबी ता अगर मु इज इट नॉट माय ड्यूटी व्हाट यू हैव डन
I will take prior to that I will take all sorts of care.
नोटिस आपण इश्यू नोटिस न आरो पार्टी न जानिबी केंती कोन
Publication unit. Basing on the allegation of opposite party number 4, same person alleged against.
कला ठीक अछि जण लोग आला से कोन खराब होला एलिगेशन करिवो कोन परिबनी से आपण करिवेनी किछि लोग जे सफर करिवो
I will take all care.
सर जे सफर करिवो से कंप्लेंट करिवनी जे जाउथो रास्ता में सबले गंध पाउथि कहबिनी काई कहबिनी से तो ता अर्थ से लोग खराब हेनी आपण कंप्लेंट करिया दरकार आपण इंस्पेक्शन कराई छि केबे
Inspection made with back behind me.
आ आपण इंस्पेक्शन बैक बेहन मी माने इंस्पेक्शन हठात आसीबे कर
No, exactly that I am saying. ए हठात आसिकरी without any notice to me.
तस्कीर करा जाय इंस्पेक्शन आ नाले इंस्पेक्शन आपण सामना सब करिवे बोले आपण सब धरा पड़ी जिवो माने बैक साइड कले ही धरा पड़िवो
यूनिट टा चलची हो
यूनिट चलती कोनला आपण देखिबे नि यूनिट केते ये होची
Your Lordship, kindly turn to page 14, my lord.
नोटिस छाड़ नोटिस निज पटो सब मिस्टेक कर रखि दियो आ कहले हो
Order copy.
तो आपण कोन बंद करिया पे कहछि
You take all sorts of care prior to it. Otherwise, ମୁଁ ବି ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛି ତାକୁ shift କରିବା ପାଇଁ.
बस सेटा पछ कथा आपन को कोन पय करे कोन यो कोन आपन ये विच ऑर्डर यू आर चैलेंजिंग
Compliance regarding the permission of the.
सेटा चैलेंज करियर कोन जे कंप्लाई तो करिवे चैलेंज काहे कले
No, I have already complained. If it take any further action against me, that's why I am
तो ये
prior
यार
to that I filed.
किसी एक्शन नहीं नी
किसी एक्शन नहीं आई
आ कोन पय दाल नोटिस इशू करिवे छड़ा कड़ा
They may be taken in
बिल्कुल
notice, my
नहीं
lord.
ये प्रीएम्प्टरी
No, otherwise Annexure 3 is pending at there.
एनेक्स 3 कोन
and accessories complaints he has filed before
कंप्लायंस को पेंडिंग अछि के पेंडिंग अछि को कोन करिवे आपण
सेटा जाई
चैलेंज करछथि आपण
I am challenging the Annexure 2.
एनेक्स 2 रे कोन चैलेंज करियर अछि
annexure 2
नहीं,
रे ताको
चल-
कहचने 15 दिन भीतर
Complaint I will be
challenging काहे करे सर देखो sorry the petitioner is challenging the letter dated 14/7/2023 issued by the State Pollution Control Board Odisha issued by the State Pollution Control Board Odisha wherein the board has given a notice to comply certain regulatory provisions under section 21 of Air Bracketed Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 and under section 25 of Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974. Further, the petitioner's unit was also producing deafening producing air and fugitive dust emission. Fugitive dust एते छोटा छोटा थाए से जणा पड़ेनी आपन लागि हम पोल्यूशन करूनी किंतु केते पोल्यूशन होता आपण एनी जानत fugitive dust emission generated due to the operation of buffing machine of the unit. Further, the noise pollution is also a very important complaint against the present petitioner. Since the main gate is exposed to the residential zone, and the location of the full stop. Further, the location of the retailing unit is nearer to the residential zone, creating a lot of noise, air, and water pollution.
inside the residential zone.
Nearing लिख दिली क्या? Nearing लिख दी. Okay, inside like inside. Okay. Hence, the petitioner is directed to stop the operation of the tire retailing unit or shift it to a suitable location with prior permission of the board to have consent to establish and consent to operate. Full stop. The compliance shall be the compliance should be within 15 days from the date of the letter. About the 15 days के जाइए चलेंगे.
No.
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 सात तरफ लेटर आज के को मास है.
No, I have complied
no,
within 15 days. I have complied within 15 days.
You have complied.
Yes. Annexure 3. Yes.
Annexure 3. By
नहीं,
annexure 3
compliance
he has
means-
filed the
Want to comply करछंती की? Comply
No,
करछंती आछंती कोई गेट.
No, I have filed the compliance letter.
आगे compliance letter फाइल कर दे तार पर स्टेट देइछंती आपण तमरे सने किसी रेस्पॉन्स नहीं नांदी.
No response. Because that inquiry report. My lord?
Today put in the order that you want to shift within 2 months time दोचे shift करो.
6 months time दियो.
हाँ, retailing
Problem
कौनटा जे
अच्छी.
6 months time.
After corona,
हाँ.
unit is not
आपण
functioning
हिसाब
properly.
चलिबनी सर. आपण
No,
15 दिन दिया छै
नहीं.
2 मास दोची. आपण हिसाब चलिबो ना बोर्ड तो 15 दिन दे.
गोटे unit shift करिया पे टिके
आगे
time.
आपण एते एटा बड़ स्टील प्लांट राउरकेला स्टील प्लांट शिफ्ट होनी.
नहीं लाउरकेला स्टील प्लांट को जो लोन मिल जीवो मते मजा भाई difficult.
Nothing doing. I'm saying it is premature. Dismiss कर दोची. हला आपण सेटा चाहू छन.
जा टिके करो.
आपण 2 मास दोचन शिफ्ट करिवे नहले गला खत्म. आपण जहा बोर्ड जहा एक्शन नबो देखो Since the petitioner unit has been continuing since 1968, hence he prays for a reasonable time to shift to another location.
Or compliance the provision, whichever is allowed.
The compliance ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବନି।
2 months ଲାଗିବ,
Compliance
2 months ଲାଗିବ।
ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି ଆପଣ ଦେବ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି shift କରିବେ 2 ମାସ ଦେବି, shift ନ କରିବେ 15 ଦିନ extra 15 ଦିନ।
ଛୋଟିଆ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ମୁଁ compliance ପାଇଁ ବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କରୁଛି।
ଛୋଟିଆ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ତ shift କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଚାଲିବ ନା ବୋର୍ଡ ହିସାବରେ ଚାଲିବ? ବୋର୍ଡ ତା ହିସାବରେ ସେ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେବେ ସେମାନେ already you have violated this। ବୋର୍ଡ ଯାହା action ନେବା କଥା ଲେଖି ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ। Board is deemed to pass any order then, like 2 months to shift the unit from to some other places, or to comply with the order passed by the board, by the pollution control board on 14/7/2023. Failing 2 months from today, 2 months from today. Failing which, the board is free to take any punitive action against the petitioner without reference to this court. Allah. Dispose of. Next.
Item number 5.
2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା କରନ୍ତୁ, ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବେ କଣ ହେଲା, ତାପରେ ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବି ଲେଖିଦେବି ୱିଥଆଉଟ୍ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ଟୁ କୋର୍ଟ। ତାପରେ କୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଲେ ବି କୋର୍ଟ କିଛି କରିବନି, ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି। ଯଦି ନ କରିବେ କୋର୍ଟ ବି କିଛି କରିବ ନାହିଁ।
ମରିଯିବ ଆଉ
ମଲ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ? ଆପଣ ବାକି ଯୋଉ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ଏରିଆରେ ଲୋକ ମରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କିଏ କରିବ?
ଏଇଟା ବ୍ରଦର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କରିଛି, ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ
ବ୍ରଦର
ବି
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍
ଆରଟାରେ ବି ଶୁଣିକି ନୋଟିସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଭଳିଆ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କାହିଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? Legal argument କରନ୍ତୁ। Why are you arguing like panchayat?
Legally, I am saying when a unit is running 1968
That is
till
not
now,
legal
there is no
argument.
allegation.
That is not
Then there is a quarrel in between the brothers.
that is not a legal argument. वो unit ଟା 68 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲାନି, ଏଟା legal argument।
And he made complaint not only against me, but also my other brother also.
But
In
the
brother-
fact of the matter is you are violating.
Lordship, in other brother case, Lordship issued the notice.
It is ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେଟା ବି share କରିଦେବି। କଣ ହେଲା
ନାଇଁ,
the
ସେଥିରେ
same
କିଛି
thing
କଥା
କରିବି
ନାହିଁ।
ସେଟା ବି। କେବେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ବି? ମନେ ପକେଇ ଲେଖି ତାକୁ ବି share କରିଦେବି। ନହେଲେ ଆଣିକି ଲଗେଇଦିଅ ଆଜି ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର। ତାକୁ ଆଣିକି ଆଜି ଲଗେଇବ, ଲଗେଇଦେ ସେ ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେବି। ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେବି। ଲଞ୍ଚ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲଗେଇଦେବେ। ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପରେ ଲଗାଅ, ସେଟା ଲଗାଅ, ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର। ନମ୍ବର କେତେ ଦେବେ?
I am not the conducting lawyer in this case. Another lawyer.
ମୁଁ ତ ଲଗେଇଦେବି ଗଲା ପରେ ସେମ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ? କୋର୍ଟ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍। ମ୍ୟାଟର ଲଗାଅ, ସେ ସବମିଟ୍ କରିଦେବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Diploma.
ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦେଲେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଇଛି।
ସେ କେସଟା ଲଗାଅ, 2ଟା ବେଳେ ଆଉଥରେ ଲଗାଅ, ଆଉଥରେ ଆସିବେ 2ଟା ବେଳେ, ହେଲା 2ଟା ବେଳେ ଆସିବେ।
He's not the conducting
Maybe
counsel for that.
ଆରେ ସେଇ କେସ୍ ଲଗା ହେଲା, ସେଇ ତାଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ଆସିବ 2ଟା ବେଳେ, 2ଟା ମିଶିକିରି ଆସିବ। କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟିଂ ଆସିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖବର ଦେଇଦେବେ ଯଦି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି, ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେବି।
କାଲିକି ଆସିବ, ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ଆସିବ, ସେ ଆସିବ।
କାଲି ଲଗେଇଦେବି ହେଲା, କାଲି ସେମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେବି।
2ଟା କାଲିକି ଆସିବ।
2ଟା।
Diploma.
Item number 5.
Lord, prayer for a direction for the payment of ex gratia compensation. The son of the petitioners died due to drowning. Lord, on 20th July
Drowning
2020.
କେମିତି drowning ହେଲା?
Lord, in fact, he had gone to the Anganwadi center. While returning, he died. Both one boy and girl went to a nearby pond and they drowned.
କେମିତି drowning କଲେ ସାର୍? ଏମିତି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ
ପୋଖରୀ ପାଉ ସେ ଆଲିଗେସନ ଯେ ପୋଖରୀ ପାଉ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଗାଧେଇବା ପାଇଁ, while returning from the Anganwadi center, and both of them drowned, but ye girl was
ଏଜ୍ କେତେ ହବ?
5 ବର୍ଷ. Girl was rescued and the boy died, my lord. And the postmortem report is there, my lord.
Take notice. Issue notice. This is the matter on 14th November.
My lord.
Copy it in.
As I have sought, I have the
Next.
Item 6.
6. 6.
Item number 6.
6. No, 13th December.
Item number 7.
Here the parent petitioner pursuant to an advertisement, my lord, for a Jogan swag has duly applied, my lord, and by
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର କଣ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଏଟା?
defect.
Defect number 6.
Page number 14 not legible.
Hmm?
Page 14 not legible.
14, 1-4. That is the copy of the inquiry report, my lord.
Page.
The inquiry report.
What do you?
One page is not legible.
So you replace it after that.
No, I am just filing my copy so that it can be.
No, you replace it. Just I'm taking up. Just
Madam,
simply you replace.
Madam. Today, memo, I am filing, madam.
You got it?
Madam, the case is like this, madam. The present petitioner, madam, pursuant to advertisement made for Jogan Soyak, he has duly applied, and he has also got selected at madam, we see page 10. His name is placed in the serial number 1, madam. Bhakta Charan Sahu, madam. And he has secured the maximum marks to the total, madam, we see the last but one column from the right side. He has secured 46.89, and the other person's 45%, other person 42%. So by the process, I am the first one, and as per the selection list, I am the successful candidate, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the person who has to place in the serial number 3 of the same list, my lord, that Suresh Mahananda, he has approached this honorable court, and I have about, madam, see my page 3, para 4. He has approached this honorable court in 4 writ application with various pleas, my lord, and this honorable court has also directed for that was kept pending for years together, and finally this honorable court by the WPC number.
You have been selected.
Pardon?
You have been selected.
Yes, I have been selected. There is no doubt of it.
With 2004.
My lord, no, my selection, my lord, is annexed 2. 9/10/2013. Page 9, my lord, we see.
2013.
Yeah.
And you are continuing till now.
No. And thereafter, I have not been given the appointment. And thereafter, the person who is found in the serial number 3, he approached this honorable court in 4 writ application, and this writ application has kind enough to stay the proceeding and stay the appointment, and this process is continued. Lastly, this honorable court has directed to end the matter, directing the concerned SDO, officer to make an inquiry, the SDM to make an inquiry and to submit a detailed report. Accordingly, Annex 3 has come. We see Annex number 3. And
So what is the inquiry?
Pardon?
What inquiry?
That because he has made the inquiry that the petitioner doesn't belong to that particular area, and his candidature has not been properly assessed. So in this process, that was the allegation.
Has not been
Properly evaluated, my lord. His document has experience is also there. It has not been taken care of. With such false plea, he has filed the writ application. And in the earlier occasion, it was stayed for some time. In the second occasion, it was stayed. Finally, this honorable court, in the last writ application, there is 111, as I have about in para 3. It has been directed that to make an inquiry by the concerned ADM and to give and to put a finality, my lord. That is WPC number 1482528 of 2020.
So the report, what does the report say?
Madam, Annex number 3.
The report, what does it say?
The report says, this is the last, in view of the above discussion, it is found that the petitioner, that means the person that's lead person, stood 3rd position in the penal list, and the claims of the petitioner is false and fabricated. So this is the finding. And accordingly, it has also been said, and accordingly, this particular last one, a detailed report is submitted, and hence the claim of the applicant is hereby rejected. Inform all concerned accordingly. So this was the finality of the.
Then he
inquiry.
again challenge this.
No, he has not out. And thereafter, I approve the concerned concerned opposite party. That into the fact that I was selected and I passed.
So because he was rejected, so you should get the chance.
No. My humble, I was the first person.
Oh, no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Because that person has been out of the.
Now,
list
in view of
now.
this inquiry, my lord, not in the found to be right person to get the post, my lord.
So
So
let that be present fresh thing. Why is it?
2013, my lord, I see my age.
Now,
my lord.
Supreme Court has said, sir, whenever such kind of rejection is there, it should be fresh.
No, my humble submission.
No, your humble submission doesn't work here. Because Supreme Court has clearly stated that in this kind of cases, it is only the fresh advertisement is important.
My lord, it's a post of
Hey,
5,000.
କହିଲେ ଖୋଜିଲେ କଣ ବଜାଜନ ଖୋଜୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କେତେଥର କହିଲି
ସେଟା ପାଇଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
Supreme Court has
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
clearly stated that in
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
this kind of cases open to the your department to have a fresh advertisement rather than giving the bottom to up करके देवे
He has given all false product.
And like law is hard, what is hard?
My
Law
lord,
is
see,
law.
2012, I am running. Now we are
What can I
2013,
do?
11 years.
I
And
will-
my age goes, everything goes.
Sir,
And
what
the
can I do?
remuneration.
This code is to be blamed.
No, I am not on that.
They should immediately,
And my lord, my
immediately they should have decided this. Every time they have entertained one after another, another after another. Because
no, portion to, no, my lord, with all respect, that is not their latches. This honorable,
ସାରିବା ଦରକାର
ହଁ,
ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର କାହିଁକି 8 ବର୍ଷ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବ
11 ବର୍ଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
11 ବର୍ଷ 8 ବର୍ଷ 10 ବର୍ଷ ଦିସ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟରେ ସାରିଦବ
That's
ଖତମ
why
କରିଦବ
my
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ ଗଲା ଯାଇଛି
ସେ
ସେ ଫାଇଦା ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାନିପୁଲେଟ କରିକି କେମିତି ମେଥଡ
manipulation like a whole, that is continuing.
କେତେ ଲୋକ
Both my lord,
ଆପଣ
from
କରୁଥିବେ
from
ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆଉ ଉଠିବନି ସେ ମେଥଡ
ସେଇଟା ନୁହେଁ
ଉଠିବନି
of both
ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ ହେଇଯିବ
latches of
ଏବେ
both
ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ
sides.
ହଉନି ନହେଲେ ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ ହେଇଯାଉଥିଲା
File gap ଚାଲିଛି।
ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ ତ
ନାଇଁ,
ରେଗୁଲାର
ନାଇଁ,
ହେଉଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ କେସ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କରିଛି
ମୁଁ
ମୋର
କଣ
ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ
କହୁଛି
ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା?
ଆଉ ବାକି କଥା କଣ କହିବି
ସେଟା
when I was a lawyer,
Apex court ରେ କହିପାରିବୁନି?
matter which file ଗାୟବ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ଫାଇଲ କୋଉଠି ମାଗି ଯାଞ୍ଚି ରିକନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା ପୁଣି ଫାଇଲ ଗାୟବ
Apex court କଥା କହିପାରିବି
Apex नहीं एठिकार কথা Apex कोर्ट गायब हुए नहीं फाइल कभी भी एज ए सिंगल केस एज फाइल गायब और
ଗାୟବ ତ ହୁଏ ନା ମିଳୁନି,
एठी गायब है
not traceable.
नॉट ट्रेसेबल क्या किए पीएन को 100-500 टका पकड़ले पीएन को गायब कर दबो नॉट ट्रेसेबल कोन हमें जानि नहीं कोर्ट वास सब से होछि
And my representation annexure number 4 is pending.
जान तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन जान बेस्ट थिंग
My lord, that case is, your lordship, Sudesh Kumar Goel versus State of Haryana.
ଭଲ କେସ୍ ତ ଏଇଟା ରଖୁଛୁ 5-7 ହଜାର ଟଙ୍କା ଦରମା।
My lord, civil appeal number
କାଇଁ
1.
ତାହେଲେ ଏତେ ବର୍ଷଙ୍କୁ
ଗାଁ
ଆପଣ
ପିଲାଟା-
ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଇଥିବ 20-30
ଗାଁ ପିଲାଟା
हां
ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଗାଁ ପିଲା
Civil appeal number
ଧର୍ମଗଡ଼
ନାଇଁ ନୂଆ
ନୂଆ ପଡା ଇନ ଡିୟର ଗାଁ
ନାଇଁ ମୋ ନର୍ଲା
ନର୍ଲା ପିଲାଟା
Civil appeal number 10861 of 2013.
କଣ କହିଛି ଫାଇନାଲ ସେଥିରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ
My lord. Para 19, my lord.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
This apart, as may be noticed that the procedure for selection of superior higher judicial service officers may direct recruitment from the bar was initiated by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. And now we are in the year 2023, meaning that by 16 years have been passed by in between. It would be travesty of justice to keep open the selection process for such a long time and to direct at this stage to make any appointment on the basis of selection process initiated so far back. For this additional reason also, we do not deem it proper to interfere with the impugned judgment and order of the High Court.
କହିଛି ଯେ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ହେବ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ଟେନ୍ୟୁର ଲିଟିଗେସନ ଚାଲିବ କି କଣ ଇଏ ହେବ ସେ ସେଥିରେ ତଳ ବାଲାକୁ ଉପରକୁ ନିଆ ହବନି ରାଦର ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରା ହବ
ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ଜୁଡିସିଆଲ ସର୍ଭିସ କୁଆଡେ
ଗୋଟେ ନା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେମିତି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସରେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତି କି କୋଉଠି ମାରିଥିବ କୋଉଠି ବମ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗିଥିବ କୋଉଠି ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ୱେରେ ହବ
ପ୍ୟାରିଟି ପାଇ
ସେମିତି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ଗୋଟେ ନା
annexure number 4 may be direct but it will be disposed of with a top
ସେ ପକେଇ ରଖିବ ସେ
ହେଇଯିବ
ଚାଲିଲା
ହେଇଯିବ
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ସାରିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 4 ଟା taking into account this annexure number 2 ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି
taking into account this case number ଦେଖିବି
ସେଇଟା
ଦେଖ
madam
the petitioner is challenging the action of the opposite parties number 3 to 5 for not responding the grievance submitted through the representation for its engagement in the post of Jogan Sayaka of Muksakti Gram Panchayat in view of the selection as first person of the selection panel list with a letter number 3021 dated 9/10/2013 and subsequent number 5627 dated 57/2022 passed by the sub-collector of Hon'Ble confirming such selection. Since the inquiry report has already the inquiry report has the findings against the opposite party number
Again, it's opposite. Target the role line will kichi karne ka. I don't have to give answer against the
against the selected candidate likhi dochi.
No, it's a selected candidate. So, and 3 number
Ye
thila.
ki pura?
3 number thila.
Okay, the candidate which place in serial number 3
3
likhi.
mala.
Serial number 3. Allah. The petitioner seeks to and seeks the indulgence of this court since he was placed in the first position in the selection panel, hence he should be the selection should be confirmed due to protracted litigation for such a long time, and the election process has been in limbo for about kete years?
Again, 11 varsa.
For about 11 years. The concern Gram Panchayat has suffered a lot. कई काम करनोଥିଲେ in such view of the matter, the representation कोटी
Annexure 4 again.
Page
Page
17.
17.
the sarpanch kari what is said.
Like-
The sarpanch Muskuti
Done.
the sarpanch of Muskuti Panchayat Muskuti the
Again, Muskuti.
Panchayat is directed to dispose of the representation given by the present petitioner in accordance with law. Dispose of within 1 month, 1 month from the
Mas. 15 din.
presentation of this
Again, ठीक है.
presentation of this order.
Take into consideration annexure number 2. Most
Considering
Again.
the
Letter number ati poke dele hijiba again. Annexure number 2.
considering the
Letter of selection procedure letter ta hidila again. File में annexure number 2. Annexure number 2 page 9.
considering नहीं से करो in accordance with law गला खत्म
Hello, ଗୋଟେ ବାର ସେଟା ରହିଲେ
ये
better.
सेटा के तुम तो legitimacy कर दिली तक
legitimate. That is the admitted part.
Hello.
Take into consideration letter number 3021 910 2013. That's all. As I said, 1 month, 1 month. Page 9, annexure 2.
considering the panel list of candidates prepared on
Again, the divide by number
9/10/2023
again.
according to disclosure.
Okay.
Next.
Item number 8.
Certified copy on production to comply. Sir, go to the puri comply. High Court order.
सी तो आपण नहीं देवे
हाँ,
से देबो ଆଉ कौन? Next.
Your lordship may mention the petitioner will submit the copy of the order before the sarpanch.
हाँ,
Yes, that's why I'm saying.
so ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତ without saying आपण न କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଏଟା ଜାଣିଛୁ
Item number 8.
open production order this order yes
Lord, here is a case for for direction for express compensation. Lord, here the death is due to my lord negligence of the 108 ambulance driver and also pharmacist.
कौन
And
लगी
initially the son of the petitioner was treated at the Baripada Medical College, and the doctor referred to the my lord SC Medical College. While my lord in a 108 ambulance, but on the way, the ambulance driver, assistant driver, and the my lord the pharmacist who was assisting my lord, they take their meal in a dhaba for more than 2 hours. And they requested the my lord attendant requested that serious condition of the boy that you attend and also immediately shift to the medical. But they did not my lord hear to the my lord, prayer of the petitioners, but they neglected. And the charge sheet has also been filed against the my lord accused persons.
driver against action नहीं चली किसी
Yes, they are dismissed. my lord, suspended a later.
She deserves to
They
get compensation.
fled away from the spot. My lord.
Lekha. The petitioner has filed the present petition seeking ex gratia compensation owing to the death of her son due to negligence by the pharmacist, driver and assistant driver of 108 ambulance. So it is alleged that the said pharmacist, driver and of the ambulance 108 while coming from Baripada Medical College to SCB Medical College, they halted at a motel and had dinner for about 2 hours, which was said to be the golden hours for a patient. And then the golden hour has been lost because of the negligence of the people. And ultimately the patient died. Since the death was due to the negligence of the staff of 108 ambulance, the petitioner lost her son. Hence, the petitioner deserves to be compensated by the state authority for the negligence done by the ambulance staff. Issue notice to the opposite party, returnable on 15th November. Our file, when the patient is taken to the hospital, that is called in medical language golden hour.
Hello.
If that golden hour is lost, everything lost. So that period, whatever action you have taken, that's a different thing. But what about the person who has lost his life?
Hello.
The next of the kin or key, their mother, father, whatever. So that they should be compensated. What is the compensation amount for this?
I have paid for 20 lakhs.
20 lakh.
20 lakhs.
Kete achi ta pai?
Creating my guidelines.
Guideline kete achi? Guideline kete apan dekhi. But you have to compensate. Nobody can save you. Government has to compensate. Next.
Item number 9.
Dead.
15.
Next.
My lord, the petitioner is a Coal India employee, my lord, has taken loan of 12 lakhs from the bank, my lord. And when he required more money for construction of the house, he came to know that someone fraudulently submitted the fake document without in his name without his knowledge, my lord. Therefore,
Sorry, I couldn't get it. So you applied for a house building loan.
my lord, I have already get 12 lakhs.
For constructing a house in your plot.
My lord,
So then you got the loan.
my lord,
You used the money.
my lord.
You constructed the house halfway.
Again,
For the further amount, you again went to the bank.
my lord.
Then what happened?
My lord, someone,
Apana case mu argue korchi. What is this, sir?
my lord.
Apana nije kariya katha. Step by step.
My lord, he came to know that someone produced the fake document in his name without his knowledge, my lord, and applied loan. Unknown person, my lord. Therefore, the bank refused to give loan, my lord. And the non-clearance of the civil. He was
Loan dei नहीं the bank. Bank loan dei नहीं the fraudulent person.
नहीं देनी. किंतु civil clear है नहीं जहाँ पर loan पाई परने. Therefore, he made repentance and answer 3, my lord.
Bank someone asila can the bank dei devo someone who document धर के आसी mu आपन document bank loan दे दे मते.
नहीं loan देनी.
फिर नहीं न देला भी କେମିତି someone କରିଦେଲା ବୋଲି bank କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଏ କରିବ? Let notice be issued. The petitioner seeking direction from to the opposite party to regularize the petitioner's civil score so that he will have a loan in future because of the because of the such fraudulent act of somebody who is not known to the petitioner. The bank has unnecessarily downgraded his civil score, right?
My lord.
Downgraded his civil score. And because of such downgrading of civil score, the petitioner is not able to avail any loan from any financial institutions, which is to the detriment of the petitioner's credit worthiness. Hence, the bank is hence the opposite party number 1 is, and hence issue notice to opposite party number 2 कहीं civil limited को भी लगे ये मैंने कर दिया तो civil automatic करियो civil को पार्टी करे कौन दरकार RBI को पार्टी करे दरकार को पार्टी करे 1 कर ले 1 rest of the parties are not required to be made parties. Not necessary party. Next, list the matter on 15. By Rashad post. Next.
Item number 10.
10.
Displaced person. Yes. Milord.
Yes. Mr. Mahapatra, 10. Yes, please.
That the petitioner is a displaced person of village Tumlia, and her land is going to be acquired for MCL, and accordingly a survey was conducted.
This is a land acquisition.
Yes, land acquisition.
Mahanadi coal field.
Mahanadi coal field.
It should go to some other bench, sir. It is not a case for this bench. So let it go to some other bench. Like since the matter pertaining to the land acquisition for the Mahanadi coalfield project, hence let the matter be placed before the honorable CG. Placing before the appropriate bench. Okay, next.
Item 11.
My lord, the husband of the petitioner died on 10/6/2018 due to accidental drowning while the deceased bathed into Indravati River at about 12 noon. Received information on that his husband expired due to drowning, namely Ghane Pujari is lying dead in Indravati River, my lords. 161 statement of the informant, my lords. मोर नाम तिल पुजारी पिता पति पुजारी निवासी आसना थाना कोटपाड़ जिला कोरापुट आज 11/6/18 तारीख रे कोटपाड़ पुलिस बाबू को मोर देवा बयान यही जे मोर भाई मुताफा घने पुजारी 55 वर्ष 9/6/2018 तारीख रे सकाळ 10 आम गाँ जाई घेनु पुजारी पिता हरि पुजारी निवासी श्यामला घर को पुणिया जाइथिला सेठारो तार 10/6/18 12 घंटा रे घर को फेरी आम गाँ पाखरे थिबा इंद्रावती नदी की गाधई गला आ घर को फेरिला नहीं तेणु आमे समस्त ताको खोजा खोजी कलु किंतु पाइलु नहीं आज सकाळ 6टा समय मुताफा घने पुजारी पुओ लक्ष्मीकांत पुजारी और अन्य माने इंद्रावती नदी भीतर खोजाखोजी करुवा बेले खंडीगुड़ा गाँ एवं गुआली गाँ मझीर इंद्रावती नदी पानी भीतर मुताफा घने पुजारी मृत शरीर भासुथिबार देखा पाइलु तेणु से
इंद्रावती नदी गाधी जाइथिला ठीक
माय लॉर्ड
that is we are not disputing केमती
medical
गाधी
report
केमती
कौची?
बुड़ी गला
माय लॉर्ड
गाड़ी गाधी केमती बुड़ी गला एंती तो आज लोग गाधी जो समझते बुड़ू ना ये क्या बुड़ी କଣ ପାଇଁ ବୁଡିଲା ମଦ ପିଇଥିଲା
କଣ ହେଲା ସେ ଭାସୁଥିଲା ତାକୁ
ଭାସୁଥିଲା,
rescue
କଣ
କରିକି
ହେଲା କିଛି ତ
ଆଣିଲେ, medical report
postmortem
ହଉଛି,
report ବି ଥିବ ନା
medical
ଏତେ ଲୋକ
report ହେଲା,
ଗାଧୁଛନ୍ତି ବୁଡିଲେନି ଇଏ କାଇଁ ବୁଡିଲା
ସେଇଟା
ସେଇଟା ତ ମେନ୍ ସେ ଆର ଲୋକ କାଇଁ ବୁଡିଲାନି
ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କହୁଛି
ମେଡିକାଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ କହୁଛି
କହୁଛ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ।
ମେଡିକାଲ ବୁଡିଥିଲା ବାହାରିଲା ପାଟିରେ ପାଣି ବାହାରିଲା ପେଟରେ ପାଣି ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଥିରୁ ବାହାରିଲା ବୁଡିଥିଲା ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ
during
ଆଉ କିଛି ବାହାରିନି
during
ଆଉ ମଦ ଫଦ ବାହାରିନି ଆଲକୋହଲିକ
inquiry matters
ଆଲକୋହଲିକ ବାହାରିଛି କିଛି ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଆଲକୋହଲିକ ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅର୍ ଏନି ସବଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ନାଇଁ ଦେଖ ଦି ପିଟିସନର ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ତ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ
matters
କଣ କହିଲେ ସେମାନେ
pending ଅଛି
ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
matters
ଏମିତି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥିବ ବସ ବସ
ବିଷୟର ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଆସିନଥିବ ସେଥିଲାଗି
ମିଶ୍ରା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିନଥିବ ଏଇ ରାଇଟ୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବ ତାହେଲେ ସେମାନେ ଦେଖିବେ ଆଉ କଣ
ये लॉर्डशिप मैं इशू
You take instruction of it. The petitioner challenges the election of the government without sanctioning the express assistance to the petitioner since her husband died due to accidental drowning as per the norms made by the state assistant admission for the state specific distress with effect from 25 to 2022 and to 2010 to 2015. Since is a case of land petitioner submitted since is a case of accidental drowning, the petitioner case has not yet been decided by the authority, though he has given the court ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି application ଟା କାଇଁ
matters annex 3 matters page 22
though he has applied under the
opposite party number 2
applied
opposite party number 2
he has given a representation to the opposite party number 2 collector and district magistrate come chairperson of the district disaster management authority Koraput, and the said application is yet to be decided by the authority in such view of the matter. Land council of the state to take instruction to the instruction but and take instruction in the matter. Just a matter on 28 November.
Item 12.
12.
May I please Lordship? Lordship, this matter is of 2020-21. The fact of the case, my lord, that the while the wife
While
of the
cooking gas
yes.
burst
Yes, my lord.
and the petitioner's wife died.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Then you approached.
Yes, we are
Whom?
different authority.
Who did you approach?
The color. They the reputation they are different. Collector and the regional manager HPCL Bhubaneswar.
What is the response?
Nothing.
Nothing. କେବେ ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ
18/1/2021.
ଏତେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତିନି କିଛି କଲେକ୍ଟର ବି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆମ କପି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଲେକ୍ଟର କାହିଁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କଲାନି ଏତେ ଦିନ let the collector personally present before this court.
let me take instruction.
Take instruction.
Mal.
And he will otherwise he will
copy ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ instruction ନେବି
take instruction. Otherwise he will personally present.
mal copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
And counsel for the state to take instruction regarding the matter on Monday regarding.
ଆଜି କପିଟା ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ମାଗିବି ଗୋଟେ
କପି ତ ଦେଲା ପରା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ନଥିଲେ ଏବେ ଦେଲେ
9th ଆପଣ କହିବେ 9th October କହିବେ sorry 9th sorry na 2nd November 2nd early jo 6th
Union of India may be supplied a copy.
I will stop my lord.
India copy de de ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏ ଅଥରିଟି ମାନେ କଣ ବସିକି 2 ବର୍ଷ 3 ବର୍ଷ କରନ୍ତି କଣ ଫଟାଫଟ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତିନି କି somebody has died ଦେବ ନ ଦେବ ଆଗ କହି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ତ କର ଧରିକି ବର୍ଷ ଲୋକ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆଇବାକୁ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ତମେ କୋର୍ଟ ନ କହିବା ତ ଆପଣ ମାନେ କିଛି ହଲିବେନି ଆଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଧକ୍କା ଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ କାମ କରିବେ ନହେଲେ କାମ କରିବେନି आपण नहीं क्या सुन 6th Monday
एथिरे कलेक्टर को पाखरे रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी नहीं
आपण रिप्रेजेंटेशन ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଲେକ୍ଟର ଖାଲି କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Representation as per the instruction, the representation.
ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୁଁ ତାଜମହଲ ମୋର ନିଜେ କିଣିଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ମାନିବେ ଆପଣ କପି ଲଗେଇଲେନି କମ୍ପାନୀ ତାହେଲେ
Actually, my lord, the copy is misplaced by the petitioner.
ମିସପ୍ଲେସ୍ କଲେ କିଏ କଣ କରିବ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆସନ୍ତି you have to get all the documents ମିସପ୍ଲେସ୍ କଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ସତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା I'm not sure you go and if you have not given give a copy otherwise how can you take instruction ମୁଁ କହିବି ନାଇଁ ଆତେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଇ
File, allow us to file a fresh representation that will be for the collection.
withdraw it and go and file fresh petition ହେଲା that is asking the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition in order to file a fresh representation before the collector and the yes खाली file कर दो किसी check करो ना and before the OP number 2 and the said authority shall decide the representation within a month from the date of
OP number 2 আর representation ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି HPCL এটা কলেক্ট হচ্ছে OP number 4
within one month from the submission of the copy of this order along with the representation hala
Okay, my lord.
next
Item 13.
13
May I please, your lordship? Lordship have challenged the illegality and irregularity in the process of selection of post of Anganwadi worker in Odisha Anganwadi center under civic.
कौन
vice
illegality है कहले
Your lordship, illegality is your lordship. Lordship kindly see at page 8 your lordship.
पे security कौन तो
Yes, your lordship.
हां illegality टा कौन
He must be a sthayi basinda, permanent residence of minimum 6 months, your lordship. There is a provision, your lordship. But he is not the permanent residence of, she is not the permanent residence of that area, your lordship.
कोडी करें
Odisha. Odisha. Odisha.
आपण से एरिया
Yes, lordship.
आपण केते नंबर स्कोर कहार हायर
Score तारा higher thila.
तार अधिक मार्क
Again.
अछि से जगह रे नथिला
Nice, se jaga.
केमति जानले आपण
Se ebbe recently marriage is tara. That marriage certificate also fraud one.
फ्रॉड
Fraud one, your lordship.
आपण मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट भी फ्रॉड आपण भी सेटा भी धरि चेक करन चाकरी गोटे पाइबे 2000 की 5000 टका तार पूरा तार खानदान खोजी तार पूरा कोन माने एवरीथिंग मैरिज फ्रॉड सब फ्रॉड कर देले आपण
Yes, your lordship. There is a provision of appeal, but
तो आपण काय फाइल करें
your lordship, filed my representation since 19/12/2022, your lordship.
ध्यान से सर्टिफिकेट
Your lordship, 2020 till today.
since there is alternative remedy available to the petitioner by a appeal before the ADM the petitioner to approach the ADM within a week from today and the said authority shall dispose of the representation of the present petitioner appeal file karibe
Yes, sir.
representation dela
Your lordship. Okay.
appeal within 3 months thereafter hala
Obliged, your lordship.
dispose of next
Item 14.
The present person is working as a Gram Rozgar Sevak, challenging the stepmother attitude of the opposite parties in
step mother
not-
kahi bhai apanu kahi step mother
because annexure 1 is the order of transfer. Yes, your lordship.
pradhanamantri
No, your lordship, kindly glance it.
step mother
Under the Engineers Act, under section 18, there is the power of the state government to amend the rules. As per the amendment rules, the government of Odisha has amended.
acha mate gote kotha kahile
Yes, sir.
ete e sentence jo kahile sentence ki jaruri thila ei sentence jo ebe kahile ei sentence ki jaruri thila apan ko dispute ta kono
The section 18 Amendment Act रे government of Odisha ये कहले जे within the block रे transfer होवे GRS
under as per the amended section 18 पे सीधा कहले गोटे sentence चले जांदा नी
Lordship.
government amended ए सब कहले जी सीधा तो कहबे as per the amended act this
Yes, your lordship.
try to make shortcut why are making lengthy sentence bohi लिखला वाला sentence काय कहू
Yes, sir.
argument वाला sentence कहू
Principal Secretary to Government, Peer and DW Department, by invoking the section 18, is directed the GRS shall be transferred.
yes that is the right way by invoking section 18.
To convenient.
In this, people
And
will ask you now.
And directed to the GRS shall be transferred within that the block.
Hmm.
Accordingly, in transfer was passed in annexure 1, petitioner along with the 27 others to lordship. The another one who is by invoking that amendment approach to the secretary, that order has been transferred and cancelled to the own block, your lordship, within that block. Whereas the present petitioner already approached to the authorities by exercising the said amendment, by invoking the said amendment, that one of the person who was transferred along with me has been considered by your authorities and remain in that block might not been cancelled, might not be case not been considered, your lordship. That is my representation in annexure 7, your lordship. I have approached the authority.
Not you only could agree.
Yes, yes, your lordship. There is the order of
In general rule, there is a rule. Suppose a person shall be considered as far as practicable.
That is the amendment.
As far as practicable.
my
Suppose ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସେଇ rule ହିସାବରେ invoke କରିକି I am sending somebody to some other place. I am disturbing some other person. He will again come to this court. Sir, I am disturbed.
no
I have been sent somewhere. Naturally,
that
there is also limitation in
that
the law.
aspect I am permitted to clarify, lordship.
Yeah.
There is the direction, specific direction of the principal secretary
I'm
government.
saying again, you are not understanding. There may be direction, but sometimes in certain peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, this doesn't happen. So in that case, they may go slightly beyond the block.
I am placing that amendment, provided that subject to vacancy. As
They
far
have
as-
they have actually taken the same word as I have explained
Yes,
later.
what is it?
As far as practicable.
As far as practicable.
See, that word is
That
important.
my complete my submission, lordship.
Yes.
What happened? There is the annexure 1 is the order of transfer and
Sir, what is your grievance? Tell me.
My-
Come to directly to the point.
my as
So
per
you have been transferred outside the block.
yes, your lordship.
That's all?
Yes, your
Okay. The authority to consider the representation of the present petitioner to not to transfer him outside the block if there is no practical difficulties on the part of the authority.
Your lordship, one more submission, lordship.
Yeah.
One more submission, lordship. By keeping in mind the an amendment under section
Arre,
18.
amendment,
But kindly that when my one of the another friend who has been transferred along with
तुम लोग आर्ग्यू करने के
नहीं,
सेक
नहीं,
में करते रहते हो या बस-
କରିବେନି
बस
ସେମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିବେନି ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେଇ ଅବଜରଭେସନ ନେଇଗଲେ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି ପରା, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଲେଖିଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଅବଜରଭେସନ ଦେଲେ ସେ
As
କରିବେ
far as practicable ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେଥିରେ ସେଟା ଲେଖିଛି ଯାହା
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ କହିଦେ ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉ as per amendment under annexure 2 keeping in mind one
amendment is based on my order. I know.
yes that your lordship order yes
Even they try to keep my order in
yes your lordship yes your lordship that's
Ah.
right
ମୁଁ order pass କରାବା ସେଇ basis ରେ ସେମାନେ amendment କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେ order ର wording ବି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି as far as practicable
ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ରହିଲେ order ରେ
ହୁଏନି ବେଳେବେଳେ sometimes you have to administrative exigency ବି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡେ sometimes ଆପଣ କଣ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କାମ କରିଥିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପନିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ନ ଦେଇକି ଏମିତି ଦେବେ
33 ଜଣ ରୁଟିନ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ବି ମାନେ ଏକାଡେମିକ
ନ
ସେସନ
କଲେ କଣ ହବ କି ସେଠି ଲୋକାଲ ମିଶିକି
ମୋର
ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କାମ
ଟିକେ
କରିବେ
ମତେ 80 କିଲୋମିଟର
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍
that is a administrative exigency ହେଲା ଦେଖ since the authority is fully within its competency to transfer its employees on the ground of administrative exigency, they are free to transfer the employees, including the present petitioner.
Sir.
Ruha, mu kon lo kohuchi ko atki jaye. However, seta ko that ko.
that per as per the section 18 of the amendment part order passed by the
However, the authority to authority is
Pursuant
directed not to ignore.
pursuant to section 18 of
अरे
the
भाई ये पैसे नहीं रखो not to ignore the amended section
section 8 of the Mahatma Gandhi
18.
National Rural
amended
Employment
section
Guarantee
of the-
Act
सर सेक्शन ना रूल ना
नहीं section your lordship
नहीं रूल लगे एक्ट रहा
नहीं act is section 18
एक्ट था
आगे
amended section 8 amended act section 8 of the
18
amended section 8
1818
and
In case of others, government has considered.
ରୁହ ଟିକେ ଅଟକ ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
trying to ଏତେ impatient ହେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ଟିକେ ରୁହ the authority the petitioner may be transferred keeping in view of the spirit of the said amended act as far as practicable. Hala?
And as has been
Dispose of.
done, your lordship,
Dispose of.
one more submission, lordship. As
How
has
is
been
submission?
done in case of the, as has been done in case of the one Rohit Kumar Gowda, lordship. That
ମୁଁ
kindly,
କିଛି ଦେବା ଲେଖିବିନି
lordship, because I have annexed that order, lordship.
ସରି ସାର୍ କଣ administrative agency ତାର କଣ ଥିବ ସବୁ
No, lordship, that clear. That
ଯେତିକି ଲେଖିଦେଲି ଆଉ ଅଧିକ କଲେ dismiss କରିଦେବି straight ଆଉ ଅଧିକ କିଛି କହିବ
ମୁଁ କହିବିନି lordship, ଖାଲି
Then
bring the
ଚୁପଚାପ
notice.
ହେଇଗଲା
ଯେ as has been done.
I
in
pass
case-
order go if you further if you argue
ନା ମୁଁ argue
I'll
କରିବି.
dismiss otherwise I
lordship order
cost for 500 rupees for our arguing either this way or that way
ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛି ଟିକେ.
ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ଶୁଣା ହେଇଗଲା
As has been done in case of.
ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ପୁରୀ ଯାଅ ଏଠି next
Item 15.
15
Yeah, lordship.
ଆଉ फिर cost imposition ଦରକାର
Item 15.
15
Annexer 6 is the rejection. My prayer for settlement of the account was rejected under Annexer 6. And Annexer 7 is the reposition notice which was issued.
କଣ annexer କରି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କଣ issue କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
Issue kara financial assistance obtained by the petitioner from the opposite party to year back 2019 of rupees 16 lakhs. Accordingly, he has paid
what is the financial assistance for what
for purchasing a truck.
assistance କଣ
Loan, no.
financial assistance କଣ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Loan
ଆପଣ କଣ କି ଦୟା କରୁଛି
Nice.
ଆପଣ ଲୋନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ସିଧା କହିବେ financial assistance କଣ you are obtain a loan you sanction by the which bank
SDFC.
HDFC assistance HDFC କେବେ assistance ଦେଲାଣି କାହାକୁ ଆଜି assistance କୋଉଠି କୁହାଯାଏ ଯୋଉଠି ତମର ଏଇ ex gratia payment ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଥାଏ ସେଟା assistance that is the assistance not this is not an assistance financial this is what is it called kuhuntu
Of loan of rupees 16 lakhs in year back
you have
2019.
been sanctioned loan of 16 lakh for
16 lakhs.
purchasing
For
truck
truck.
so 16 lakh truck ମିଳୁଛି
ତାପରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନିଜ ହାତରୁ
16 lakh ରେ ଆଜିକାଲି ଇଏ କାର ମିଳୁନି ଟ୍ରକ୍ କୋଉଠି ମିଳିଲା
truck କିଣିଛି
ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଲୋନ 16 lakh ରେ
16 lakhs.
1 lakh ସେ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଲୋନ 60-70 ପଡିଲାଣି ଟ୍ରକ୍
ସାର୍ 19 ମସିହାରେ କିଣିଥିଲେ
19 ମସିହାରେ କେତେ ଦିନ କି ସାର୍ 3-4 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ତ
20-25 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ପଡିଥିଲା।
କୋଉ ଟ୍ରକ୍
ଅଶୋକ ଲେଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ସୁଗଲିନା ଏତେ କମ
ଅଶୋକ ଲେଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ଏନିୱେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେ କଥା ଆମ ଯିବାନି
of rupees 16 accordingly he has paid
ତାପରେ
13 lakhs
ଟ୍ରକ୍ କିଣିଲେ
of
ଟ୍ରକ୍ କିଣିଲେ
truck କିଣିକି accordingly I have paid 13 lakhs some odds and year back August in the month
you
of
paid
August
13 lakh or
13 lakh 67,000. In the month of August I was suffering as a cancer patient, so I want to settle the account. I have made
କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ହେବା ଯେ ସେଟଲ କରିବା ଭାବି ନଥିଲି ତାର ସଡନ ସେଟଲ ଆଉ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ହେଇଯାଏ ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇଯାଏ ଆଉ କଣ ଦୁନିଆ ପ୍ରକାର ଲୋନ କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ଡକ୍ଟର କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
a series of documents admitted it was. And he
ଆପଣ
made
ସତ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
settlement sir କରିବାକୁ
କେତେ
ଚାହୁଁଛି
ପଇସା ଅଛି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ
ସେମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଟାର ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ମୋର 12ଟା ଲୋନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ 12ଟା
ଲୋନ
12 ଲୋନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରୁ ଆଇ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ
ଗୋଟେ କାର ଲୋନ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ ଷ୍ଟୋଟ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋନ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ
12ଟା ଲୋନ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ କମ
accordingly I made a request through mail under annexer 5 of rupees 32 lakhs and they have
total outstanding କେତେ
they have demanded 68 lakhs. That was my agreement to expire in year 2025 May. Prior to that, I want to settle this account. And
okay, let HDFC Bank come. Issue notice to HDFC Bank. Open number kete? 2. Open number 2. Open number 1 and 2. Issue notice open number 1 and 2. Yango de dete jo Rajit Rai.
Rajit sir.
Subhranshu.
Subhranshu Saurabh.
Subhranshu sir. Give me copy to them.
Rajit Rai sir.
Give me. Learn cast with the petitioner to serve a copy on Mr. Rajit Roy, who usually appears for HDFC Bank. List matter on 16 ras, hala.
बिस्के स्टाफ फाइल कर स्टेप गाड़ी भेट
केमती इन मिस्टर बैंक आसीनी किछि न मिस्टर दे देबी आपन
because they have issued
ना
the-
बिल्कुल
under Annexure 7.
सेति लगे आपण कोर्ट आछन सॉरी आई डोंट डिस्करेज दैट नो
Annexure 7 repossess करते नोटिस दे चलाने
व्हाट कैन आई डू सर आई कांट डू एनीथिंग
subject to payment of some
सब्जेक्ट
install
पेमेंट नहीं बैंक न आसीबा जे हम किछि करबे आई हैव टू सीक इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द बैंक ओके शॉर्ट डेट दे परिबे आपण लेट्स डू वन थिंग रजित राय को दे दो 6 3 लगे दो छला फ्राइडे let the matter is Friday लागो let them come if they agree I don't mind हला कोर्ट रो पावर नहीं किसी करबे बैंक मैटर रे कोर्ट इज पावरलेस totally powerless we are only facilitator I repeat facilitator हला not felicitator हला don't make us felicitator okay next
Item 16.
May I please alerts? The
16.
the matter relates to establishment and operation of the paneer factory close to the human habitation. In respect of the same, we have paneer factory, sir. Paneer. In respect,
ये खाया पनीर का
खाଇବା paneer. से जो emission होचे gas and
पनीर फैक्ट्री रे गैस एमिशन होची
ए सर लिखी चंदी पर एनवायरमेंट साइंटिस्ट हम इनक्वारी जो
पनीर फैक्ट्री रे कोन
ए सर पूरा डिटेल्स रिपोर्ट होचे सर आनेसर 3 रे तापर सकज नोटिस मध्ये दैचंदी सेटा क्लोज पूरा क्लोज ह्यूमन हैबिटेशन सर ब्रीथिंग सिस्टम प्लस आपन को एग्रीकल्चरल
डेफिनेटली
सर
गंधीबा तो डेफिनेटली
ए सर आ पूरा रिपोर्ट दैचंदी एग्रीकल्चर साइंटिस्ट जो जाइथिले आप
कौन लगे रिपोर्ट देछे
इलेक्शन सर page 20 sir page 20 the unit has been established and operation at Nandika under Jodis. The boiler has been installed near the boundary wall of the complaint. The stack height of the boiler is 60 feet from the
you
ground.
have got the consent to operate
No, sir.
factory?
They have not taken consent from the department for which they have issued Swakoj by annexure 4 to close the factory at page 21.
Consent on a
Sir,
you have to see, sir, whenever you are setting up a factory,
Sir.
Public.
you are supposed to take consent to operate, consent to establish and consent to operate.
Sir, किछि नहीं नांती बोली सेमाने लिखिचंती एवं स्वकज मध्य मागिचंती annexure 4 रे page 21 your lordship kindly have a glance. Now therefore you are directed to Swakoj within 7 days from the date of issue of this letter at what we
Can you
direct.
show cause reply to
villager.
आमे sir villager एटा
oh sorry आपण मु होते आपण factory
ना
owner.
ना sir
You are the villager.
we are villager we are highly affected sir हम पिलाने पाठ पढ नांती माने पढि पर नांती एवं घरे एते गैस बाहर जे रहि
पिला पाठ पढुଛନ୍ତି village रे आबि पाठ पढुना सब पिला टाउन को पढाउ
सर सब तो हमें गाँव रे पाठ पढि आछ
हां गाँ रे आपण पढुतले आपण एबे जनरेशन शहर को जिवे खाली
आई गेस
शहर को गले गांजा पीवे बसिबे
से सर एते गैस दुर्गंध होजे बिन फर्टाइल लैंड गुडा को मध्य सेठी लिखिचंती जे सेडा को मध्य डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाय चाष जमी गुडा भी सब डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाय एटा सब लिखिचंती रिपोर्ट रे सर
ये टू मच हेला गैस फर्टाइल लैंड में डिस्ट्रक्शन देला
सर एठी लिखिचंती सर
कोड लगाई
8 सर
पढंतु
सर
Nearby agricultural land has been affected due to discharge of untreated wastewater from your unit.
A patch of paddy cultivated nearby agricultural land of the unit was found damaged due to seepage leakage of the
because of the water logging. That is for the water logging.
सर एते प्रबल गैस होची सर नहले साधारण को पूरा ह्यूमन हैबिटेशन को लगाई करचंदी एवं इन रेस्पेक्टेशन दे ऑब्टेन्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द हमर पिन नंबर 3
Anyway, let's issue notice.
Pollution control board.
pollution control of number 2
Oh, how they allow I mean बिना consent to establish नहीं केंद्र फिर कर देती
So cost आइछि August 5 that.
close है तो
ना सर क्लोज करना
मु एबे क्लोज कर दूची
सर
हला ऑटोमेटिक से आसीबे दौड़ी दौड़ी आसीबे let me pass an order for closure. The petitioner challenges the
May issue notice to that private party.
yeah in action of the opposite parties regarding the non-closure of the paneer production unit operating to the closer vicinity of the
Human habitation.
sorry, in the vicinity of the human habitation and without obtaining the consent to establish and consent to operate from the pollution control board. The petitioners are the inhabitants of Chudamanipur under Jaleshwar municipality of
Nandika Chodamanipur under Nandika ନନ୍ଦିକା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୌଜାଟା ହଉଛି ନନ୍ଦିକା
ଆପଣ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଯାହା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ମୁଁ ନନ୍ଦିକା କୋଉଠି ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟ କରିବି
ସାର୍ ଲେଖି
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ ପଢିଲେ
ସାର୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନରେ ଲେଖି
ଚନ୍ଦନପୁର ଅଣ୍ଡର ଜବଳେଶ୍ୱର ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ପାରା 3 ରେ ସାର୍ ଲେଖିଛି
ପାରା 3 ରେ ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ସାର୍।
ପାରାରେ ଲେଖିବେ ନା ପାରା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
3 ରେ
ସାର୍।
ଲେଖିବେ
ସାର୍।
ଯୋଉଠି ଲେଖିବା କଥା ଲେଖିବେନି ଆଉ ଚନ୍ଦନପୁର ଅଣ୍ଡର ଜଲେଶ୍ୱର ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ are affected by the establishment of the paneer factory with name Messrs. Shiv Shakti Milk and Food Products for production of paneer and ghee. The filthy smell coming out of this such unit emitted from the unit affects the breathing of the villagers and the children, especially the children of the villages. He further alleges that the chemical mixed water that percolates to the agricultural field nearby, nearby agricultural field causes huge damage to the upper soil of the said agricultural field, rendering it infertile. Hence, he has no other efficacious remedy than to approach. Did you approach the other authority?
ନା ସାର୍
କାହାକୁ approach କରିଥିଲେ?
ଆମେ ଆପଣ ଅଥରିଟିକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବୋର୍ଡକୁ ସେମାନେ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିକି ସ୍ୱକଜ ଦେଲେ ଯେ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦିଅ କିନ୍ତୁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Okay. They approached the authority and the authority had also inquired into the matter and found that the grievance raised in the present writ petition are on the same page, full stop. In such view of the matter, let notice be issued to OP number 1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. है ना?
One, three, four.
कोई नेतार फैक्ट्री की ना कोई नेता फेता फैक्ट्री चलो जो
ହଁ ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ପଲିଟିକାଲ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ସେ ହାତ ମାରିବେନି let's see notice returnable on 15th November.
My miss case is there till then that should not be operated.
Till then लगाओ miss case लगाओ. Considering the hardship faced by the villagers and the filthy smell emitting out of the said paneer unit, the shared paneer unit shall
stay operation.
କିଛି ଅପରେସନ କୋ ଅପରେସନ ଟା
ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ଅପରେଟ କରିକି ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ବାହାରୁଛି ସେଠି ସାର୍ ପ୍ରତି
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଅଥରିଟି କିଛି ଷ୍ଟେପ ମାନେ ସେ ଯେ ବନ୍ଦ କିଛି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ସ୍ୱକଜ ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସରେ ଶୋକଜ କରିଛି ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ବୋର୍ଡ
ଏ ଯାଏ କିଛି
ସେଇଟା ତ ଜଣା ପଡୁନି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ
କ୍ଲୋଜର କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ କ୍ଲୋଜର କରିବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ଆକ୍ସନ ନାହିଁ
short date whether he has submitted or what in the meantime.
ଯଦି ସେମାନେ କରିଥିବେ ଆମର କ୍ଲୋଜର ସାର୍ ଅପରେସନ ଟା କ୍ଲୋଜର ରହିକି ରହୁ ସେମାନେ ନୋଟିସ ଆସିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେମାନେ
ସବୁ the court should prejudice none sir both
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା
side has to see
ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ଶୁଣିଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ତା ଭର୍ସନ ଟା ଶୁଣିନି
ନା ସାର୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବୋର୍ଡ ଆନେଶ୍ଚର ଥର୍ଡ ଟାକୁ
ଫାଇନ ଟା ମନା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁନି without hearing them it is wrong to close it
ନା ସାର୍
I'll do one thing
ନନ୍ ଅପରେସନ ହଉ ସାର୍ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖିଲା
non operation ଆଉ ବନ୍ଦ ହବ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନନ୍ ଅପରେସନ ହେଲେ ଗନ୍ଧ କାହିଁକି ହବ?
Take all steps to assuage the grievance of the petitioner and take steps in obtaining consent to establish and consent to
ସେଇଟା-
operate. ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ patience ରଖନ୍ତୁ
Sorry,
ସବୁ
sir,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ହେବ ନା କଣ?
Sorry sir.
Consent to operate and consent to establish certificate from the pollution control board at the earliest possible. Full stop. Short date ଦଉଛି. Let them come.
ନା ନା ସାର୍ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ଆର୍ଲିଏଷ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ହାବିଟେସନ ଯଦି ସେଟା ରହିବ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ରହିବୁ ସାର୍ କନସେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ଯଦି ଦେଇଦେଲା ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବୋର୍ଡ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ସେଠି ପନିର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି
Consent ପାଇଁ ଏମିତି ଦେଇଦିଏ କି? ଏମିତି ଦେଇଦେବ ବିନା ଚେକ୍ ରେ ଦେଇଦେବ।
ନା ସାର୍ ସେଇ ପେଟିସନ ତ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ annexure for is impugned my lord your lordship can have a glance to
ନା ନା
annexure for
ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟେ ଲଗେଇବି। No. ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ ଚାଲିଥିବ ତାର ପାର୍ଟ ବି ଆଉ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି 100 ଲୋକ କାମ କରୁଥିବେ ସେଇ ୟୁନିଟ ରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର
ତାହେଲେ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ହୁଇ ସାର୍ ଜେନେରାଲ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସାର୍ we are suffering
ଯୋଉମାନେ କ୍ଷୀର ଦଉଥିବେ ସେମାନେ କ୍ଷୀର ସେତେ ଦିନ କୋଡେଇଥିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ଖାଲି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ସେ ଗାଁର 100 ଲୋକ କ୍ଷୀର ବି ତ ସେଠି ସପ୍ଲାଏ କରୁଥିବେ ପନିର କେମିତି ବନିବ?
ସାର୍ ଏବେ ସାର୍ ଏଇ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥାଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ମାୟୋପିକ ଭ୍ୟୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁନି have a larger picture. See the larger picture. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗନ୍ଧୁଛି କିଛି ଲୋକ ପାଖାପାଖି ଗନ୍ଧିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ at the same time 100 ଲୋକ ମିଲ୍କ ସେଠିକୁ ସପ୍ଲାଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ମିଲ୍କ ମ୍ୟାନ ମାନେ 100 ଲୋକ ସେତେ ଦିନ କୋଉଠିକି ସପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କର ହାର୍ଡସିପ ଟା ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବେନି?
no sir my respectful submission is that they should establish the unit but
sir I am not saying I understand your problem but at the same time I am not going to pass any stay order because I have not heard the other party. I am trained to hear both the parties. Not one party ke suni kiri mo de debi tankar hardship ki bujibo.
sir on the basis of my prayer I am not saying I am saying on the basis of the report submitted by the pollution board.
Report thau jodi report by pollution control board ette badhiya report aichi to se kai action nelani action nelani
no nahanti pai to sir
pollution seti pai asu se mo asile mo bujibini
pollution board ku sir kha jau sir
seti pai pollution control board ko je achanti council ta copy diyantu copy de diyantu aji copy diyantu Mr. Misra I'm giving a short date. Let it come on Friday then. October, sorry, 3 तारीख आसु हला 3 तारीख short date दउची
notice option हे न पारे private opposite party से special message notice नहीं होती
हां ना 3 तारीख देन छाड़ दे आर्टिकल मध्ये 8 रास 8 हला 8 आसु stay पे छाड़ दे से पट कर दे
item 17 may I please that is selection to the post of assembly lord and the your lordship the guideline says that page 11 lord
17
lord selection to the post of asa in the village Pathuriya lord the lordship may kindly have a glance to guideline annexure 1 lord relevant is page 11 lord the eligibility criteria says that the following eligibility criteria have to be followed for the selection of new asa. She must be a woman, married, widow. In case of rural areas, she must be.
problem कौन कोटी sir?
My problem is that, my lord, though initially, my lord, I have been selected. But the opposite party.
You are the highest scorer.
Yes.
Yes
and that, yes, your lordship.
Hesitatingly कोचुंदी.
That person, my lord, who has been selected, that person who has been selected, my lord, was not in the list, my lord. Your lordship, my lord, the kind of glass in the selection list, my lord.
Apply करना थी.
Apply करते हैं, but not in the list selection list. Your lordship annexure 6 में kind of glass. My lord, opposite part number 7. His name is, her name is my lord Anjana Das. Your lordship kindly see the select list, my lord. आशा चयन सम्बन्धी मेघा तालिका
आपन नाटा कोन?
My name is my lord Sasmita Das Mahapatra. His name is not there, my lord.
So yours is the highest mark.
My lord, and that
village. Select कैसे तार but selected लिखा दीजिए.
No,
Sasmita Das Mahapatra selected लिखा दीजिए.
लिखा है चिट्ठी. तापरे कौन कले? They wanted he belongs to she belongs to not that village and they wanted a certificate from the villagers. But annexure 4, I have produced that. Annexure 5, my lord, there is no such criteria is there. But they said that she is not belong to that village. She is not the she is a gaar bohu no. After his marriage, right marriage disturbance similar to bapa ghare rohuchi এবং all residential certificate and villager certificate produce kala. They have also not asked me that the case re court re family court re case chalchi se case be babad re
important because
that criteria is not also there. Again, the guideline that criteria is also not there. Despite that, after my selection, some persons, he is not in the list also.
Where do you got this man from? Where from?
Is it not actually selected?
Anjana Das.
Annex of 3, Anjana Das.
And you say Anjana Das ka nine?
Eligible nine.
Land Council the petitioner submit that since the selected person is not in the list
Let me opt in.
of the selected candidates, of the the empaneled list. However, she has been selected on what basis? Selected. He further submit that the basis on which the petitioner was selected is not known to anybody. The petitioner, even if the petitioner was the highest scorer in terms of educational attainment, but the petitioner case was junked due to the fact that she is not staying in that village.
No,
she's
staying
because of matrimonial dispute, sir.
Yes.
Swami Parityakta Lakhaiji. Matrimonial dispute. Lord asks the state to take instruction regarding the discovery of the selected candidate.
Exactly.
Obviously, where have you discovered regarding the discovery of the new candidate, which is outside the list? Hala, take instruction. List the matter. 16th November.
Till then, that Annexer 5 be kept in abeyance.
Annexer 5?
Yes. Annexer 5 that lady has been selected. Annexer 5.
Appointment hai nahi? Appointment hai nahi ki?
Appointment then her appointment is provisional. Your lordship say that
part kichne je korche asile dekhi ache jodi she was found to be wrong, then she'll be out. So why je koruthibe gote lok
then lordship fix a short date.
Short date to sir kete short date karibi age ସବୁଠୁ short date ତ ମୁଁ କରୁଛି ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ଏତେ short date ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ପୃଥିବୀରେ ଦଉନଥିବେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ତ 4 ମାସ ମିଳେ ମିନିମମ୍ 4 ମାସ ଏଠି ଆମର 4 ଦିନ 5 ଦିନ 6 ଦିନରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତଥାପି ଆଉ short date କହୁଛନ୍ତି
16th
16 ଠିକ ଡେଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ next
item 18
The rejection of the application of the petitioner for opening of the issuance of drug license for opening of the retail shop, medicine shop. The same has been done for the reason, your lordship may see page 52.
What happened?
The subject cited above, your application has been rejected due to the following reason. No recommendation of the drug inspector. As per the rule, drug inspector has to inspect the site and the documents submitted by the petitioner and recommend the same to the.
In your case, it was not done.
No, he has not recommended for the long time for which it has been. I pray, let my application be considered.
Where is your application?
Application is annexure 1, my lord. As page 9.
Okay.
Appraise that may be considered, and whatever they will direct that the deficiencies there, I will.
The rejection of the application of the present petitioner for issuance of drug license for opening of a retail medicine shop by the licensing authority. He further submits that the petitioner had submitted the application to the opposite parties on 22nd May 2023, seeking the drug license to run the retail medicine shop. However, because of the non-recommendation by the drug inspector, the application of the present petitioner was rejected on 2nd August 2023. The petitioner's application was also submitted along with all relevant documents required for the said purpose. Hence, the petitioner has approached the authority with approached this court for considering his application, which is pending since Kevetu.
Since 22/5 reject कर देला न पठेले बोलिए
Pending. Reconsider.
reconsider करिया अपन डायरेक्शन
Okay, sorry.
as per the rule ना फ्रेश कले पैसा दो पुणी 10,000 15,000 17,000 डिपॉजिट ठीक है नहीं
In view of the above,
पुणी आउथर लाइसेंस में सब
the
जिनसे कलेक्ट
petitioner is economically facing a lot of economic hardship as he is right under Article 19(1)(g) is in a state of comatose. Full stop. Then the petitioner in view of the above, the petitioner has approached this court for seeking a direction to the authority for considering his application afresh. Also, in such view of the matter, the petitioner application as annexed in Annexure 1, Annexure 1 series be considered afresh
by the opposite party note 2 and 3
by the opposite party number 2 and 3 within a period of 1 month from today. 1 month from date of submission of this order. According to this way. Next.
Item 9.
Yojana, there is a marriage assistance.
My,
You have that copy of the Yojana?
my lord, I have filed.
Filed?
Kindly see Annexure series
Guideline 3.
3, page number 10.
Page number 10.
Marriage assistance 25,000 is enhanced to 50,000.
So here you want to you are seeking the benefit of marriage assistance.
My lord,
Why did they say no?
My lord,
Why did they say? Why did they reject your proposal?
my lord, representation has been made to the
They have not decided.
representation is pending.
They have not decided.
यार ये marriage वाला है.
My lord, Union of India may be
Doctor of the
served.
petitioner.
You take instruction. Can't consider the state to take instruction regarding the denial of marriage assistance to the present petitioner. Not denial, regarding the pendency of the representation of the present
My lord,
petitioner
Annexure 4.
for marriage assistance under Annexure 4. You take instruction.
My lord, Union of India may be supplied a copy.
Union of India. Give a copy.
My lord.
Kartik Chandra Jena.
My lord.
This is the matter of 22nd November. କେବେ ବାହାଘର କେବେ ଅଛି?
ବାହାଘର ହେଇସାରିଛି.
ହେଇସାରିଛି. Oh.
By taking hand loan, the petitioner has made the marriage of her daughter.
Okay.
On dated
Item 20.
Let them finish. Next.
My lord, it is also same matter, but in this matter, the petitioner seek for financial assistance because the husband of the petitioner died while working as a labor.
That's a, I mean, death claim.
Death.
My lord.
Okay, similar. In this sense. 'Cause 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 issue notice. Next, same date.
Item 21.
My lord, I am on behalf of Kuresh Prasad Das. Kindly taken up Monday because he is ill, my lord. Because he is ill, my lord, Monday.
Okay. Let them go. 10th.
My lord.
Item 22.
22.
May I please your lordship? That is a victim compensation, my lord. That is your lordship and Annexure 6 series.
Defect
Victim compensation, your lord.
Copy ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Huh, already given. Solved, my lord.
So you are
I
what is the victim?
My lord, that is Annexure 6.
What happened?
Annexure 6 series, my lord, 3,25,000 already
Sir,
sanctioned.
कौन हैला?
Sir, पैसा वर्तमान सुधा देउनाहांती.
तो जान लीजिए कौन पाई पैसा माने victim को she is the victim of what?
That is also 376.
376. So they have given
376 two cases. One is 376 case, that is Annexure 1, my lord.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ SC/ST.
SC/ST, my lord.
ଆପଣ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କେତେ ମିଳିଛି?
ମୋ 3,50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ମିଳିଛି
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଥୋଡି ଦେବେ ସାର୍?
ନାଇଁ it is second page, my lord. If you may kindly see
ସେ ଦେବେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପେଜ ରେ ପେଜ ୱାଇଜ ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନା?
ଏଇ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର 6 ରେ ରେକମେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଛି।
ନାଇଁ but already your lordship you may kindly see Annexure 1 page 47, my lord. It is already ହେଇଯାଇଛି sanction ମାନେ
सर सैंक्शन हो काली आज सैंक्शन काली दे देबे ना?
नहीं मु से କଥା कहूनी your lordship. That माने already देखो page Annexure 6 page 47 my lord, column number 13, that Sushma Khujur, that is column number 20, my lord, second phase, that is 3,25,000, my lord. It is first page already.
9 number of cases माने गोटे लोग कौन 9टा केस कोन
ना टोटल से डिस्ट्रिक्ट रह जाय जका
और जो टोटल इंक्लूडिंग दिस
मु आरटी एक्ट रे मागी की एडा एनेक्सर करछि योर लॉर्डशिप.
अरे रोहन तुम आरटीआई से आरटीआई किछि माने नाही खाली आरटीआई कहउछंती आपण केस कथा बुझन आरटीआई एक्ट रे मागिले आरटीआई 19टा जगह आरटीआई रे आपण केते लिखाई जितरे
नहीं मो केस रे मु मागी छी. हां
आपण के स्पेसिफिक जोटा है से देबे.
हां सही केस रे ही मु कहउछि योर लॉर्डशिप.
आपण ना कोन
मो सुषमा खुजूर कॉलम नंबर 13 रे अछि योर लॉर्डशिप, पेज 47 Annexure 6 series.
तो आपण को रिकमेंडेशन के बेला
रिकमेंडेशन ये योर लॉर्डशिप प्रीवियसली हेइथिला मु सेतरे पाइछि 3,25,000 टंका 50,000.
रिकमेंडेशन के बेइछि
6 अक्टोबर 20.
हां टिके धरन तो पैसे सीधा कोर्ट को पळे अछन टिके वेट करबिनी ताको प्रोसेस अछि से प्रोसेस में देबे आपण संगे संगे कोर्ट को पळे अछन.
नहीं नो माय लॉर्ड मु सेटा कहूनी.
आपण कोन कहउछन ताले कोर्ट को तो आछन आ से पय आ कोन कहउछन आ अधिका आपण को मिली छी एटा एका संगे दिया जाय नि फेज वाइज दिया जाय.
फेज वाइज इट इज सेकंड फेज.
फेज वाइज मिलिबो
नहीं माने
आपण की
आई एम फॉर द विक्टिम.
देन यू आर फॉर द विक्टिम.
यस
और विक्टिम फादर
ना विक्टिम. हां मी वीडियो आल्सो
फेज वाइज मिलिबो ना आपण तो पड़ला आपण 3 लाख केते 70,000
3,50,000
पाइछ. 50,000 मिली छथि ना
लाख टका केते पाइबे
केबे पाइले सेडा
माने
एबे केते पाइबे
एबे वर्तमान 3,25,000
सेडा मते देखांतु कोर्ट लिखाइ जे.
हां यस माय लॉर्ड मु ये Annexure 6 page 47 your lordship you may kindly turn over glance over my lord.
47
हां 47 page. सुषमा खुजूर हाँ मु कॉलम नंबर 13 आ गुटे कॉलम नंबर 20 रे 3,25,000 ऑलरेडी लास्ट लिखाई छी फर्स्ट पेज मु ऑलरेडी पाई जाई छी. एटा जी सेकंड पेज वो लिखाई छी योर लॉर्डशिप.
नहीं कोड अमाउंट कोड लिखाई
अमाउंट योर लॉर्डशिप Annexure 6 series पेज नंबर 47 योर लॉर्डशिप.
47 ने मु अछि.
हां
सुषमा कुजूर लिखाला.
हां तापर सर
वाइफ ऑफ लेट प्रकाश कुजूर.
हां तापर नहीं सर कॉलम नंबर 20 सेकंड पेज योर लॉर्डशिप से कॉलम साइड रे अछि योर लॉर्डशिप.
20 3,25,000.
हां 3,25,000 my lord. Turnover my lord Annexure 6 series 49 page 49, your lordship.
Yes.
That is also be column number 13, Sushma Khujur. That is column number 19. That is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. That is first phase. That is did not be till now received.
ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇବେ in a second.
ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାଇବାର
As on date. ଆଉ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି।
ଆଉ କେତେ ପାଇବେ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆଉ କେତେ ଅଛି
ମୋର ଦିଟା କେସ ରେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ ରେ ହଉଛି ଲକ୍ଷେ ଗୋଟେ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ କେତେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ
ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ 9 lakhs ପାଖାପାଖି ପାଇବି
ମାନେ 4 ଲାख ବାଦ 3.5 ଲାख ବାଦ
yes my lord
and till charge sheet the conviction is the case
ନା conviction ହେଇନି ଏଟା already your lordship you may kindly
the FIR ହେବ ଗୋଟେ page
page wise video ଲେଖ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
conviction ଏଟା
wait କରିବେନି କିଛି ସବୁ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ପଳେଇବେ
ନାଇଁ sir charge sheet already filed my lord
I am just passing order in accordance with the law ଯୋଟା ଅଛି ସେଟା ଦେବେ
yes my lord
The petitioner has filed an application arising out of the present petitioner has filed the present petition seeking compensation under provision of the Odisha Victim Compensation Scheme 2017 and the compensation scheme for women victims survivor of sexual assault / other crimes 2018 read with Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 and the rules framed thereunder in 1995. The petitioner has seeks the release of an amount of rupees the balance amount with after receiving the first installment of rupees 3,50,000 3,25,000 or 50,000
ସେଟା ହଉଛି
amount ବି କେତେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ କରି କହି
ହଁ
ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ମାଇ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ମାନେ ମୁଁ 3,50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଫେଜ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ ରେ ପାଇଛି
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 3,25,000 ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ନା ଏଇଟା ଆମକୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଫେଜ ରେ ମିଳିବ ୟୁଆର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମିଳିବ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ ରେ କେତେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ ରେ ଆମେ 3,25,000 ଟଙ୍କା 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଛୁ ୟୁଆର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି 25,000
ସେ ସାଂକ୍ସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ୟୁଆର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ତ ସାଂକ୍ସନ 25 କଲେ ଆପଣ 50 କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ ରେ ଯୋଟା ମୋର
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ କଥା ତ କହୁଛି
ହଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଫେଜ ରେ ମତେ ଟୋଟାଲ 13 ଲକ୍ଷ ୟୁଆର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ୟୁ ମେ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି annexure 5
the balance amount to be received by the petitioner and since the balance amount is due the petitioner to approach the appropriate authority for appropriate for release of the said amount in accordance with the law disposal
ଟିକେ
ଆଉ କିଛି
ମାନେ ଫିକ୍ସ
ସେ ଦେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ରିଜ ଦିଆ ଏମିତି ସେମାନେ ରଖିକି ଖାଇବେନି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଜଜ କଣ ରଖିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଇସା ଖାଇବ ସିଏ ତା ୱେରେ ଦେବ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ତରବର ହେଇକି ନେଇକି କଣ କରିବେ
ନାଇଁ ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 1 କୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ହେଲେ ଦେବେ ସାର୍ OP number 1.
OP number 1 key.
OP number 1, your lordship. That's the Odisha director of SC/ST government of Odisha ST.
OP 1 to release the amount, release the balance amount in accordance with the law and as prescribed in the as prescribed by the guideline. Hala.
टाइम टा टिके कहि दियौ यूर लॉर्डशिप टाइम टा माने
आगे टाइम जो देबे आपण पळेइबे
लॉर्डशिप मासे हो 2 मास हो नले सेमिति पकेई के रखिबे पुणी म यूर लॉर्डशिप यू मे
एट द अर्लीएस्ट पॉसिबल लिखिबे टाइम को आपण ड्यू के बेबा सिसे देबे ना मु ऑर्डर दे देबी मासे भीतर देबे ना संग हो न तो ड्यू से के देबे
नहीं नहीं मैं एज पर लो
आगे एज पर सेति में लिखि देली गाइडलाइन त लिखली आप
यस यस सर ऑब्लाइज मैं
न देला कहबी न देला कंटेंट फाइल
Item 23.
अब आपण पैसा एका संग नै जिवे संग संग तार सिस्टम स्कीम रे जिवे ना पैसा बोला जेंति जमींदार ए जो गाना मनी लेंडर वाला कथा कहउचंती जेंति से मनी लोन नै सी आपण देबो टाइम फटाफट
আমি ভিডিও
जे आपण पैसा दो नाहंती जेंति फेज वाइज ता स्कीम कहउचे फेज वाइज देबो जो फेज रे जते देबा कथा दउछन
obliged
आपण
ନାହିଁ।
तड़बड़ हे पळे आसी टास्क सब दे
ନାଇଁ,
कोर्ट कोन दे देबो
No, no, no.
हुएनी नेक्स्ट
Next, my lord, I have to file a counter affidavit, my lord.
26.
Because, my lord, there is no, yes, my lord, on
23.
behalf of railway, my lord. There is no legal document that there is no such DRM report that
What is
the
this?
person dead.
What is this issue?
Issue is that.
As Garcia compensation, and he has to.
Compensation payable under section 124 of the railway.
Who are you?
Sir, item 23.
Mother.
23 item.
Widow. One of his son, this is one of
27
his son died
26
being
could be.
run over by the train inside the railway compartment station. So I am relying the judgment.
सर जजमेंट आगो काई
section
फैक्ट्स ता कोन आगो
124.
मो कोर्ट रे आगो जजमेंट केई देखिबिनी फर्स्ट फैक्ट्स स्पेसिफाई करिवे फैक्ट्स यदि मु आई विल नॉट कन्विंस देन शो द जजमेंट आगो से जजमेंट देखे
There is
देबे
no
पुटिंग
such-
द कार्ड बिफोर द कार्ड बिफोर द हॉर्स आगो कार्ड रखबे आ तापर हॉर्स ना तापर आगो हॉर्स रखि तापर कार्ड को धरि जाउछन उल्टा कथा
There is no such document, my lord. There is no DRM report. There is
डेथ कोडी हला
Matter to be hard.
वेयर इज द
because
डेथ वेयर इज द डेथ
inside the railway station,
कोडी
annexure 4 page 14. Page 14, my lord.
GRPS police has.
Name of the deceased, the due to dash and the run over by the goods train, running train. My lord, right column.
They are
कोठी
Inside the
at Soro railway station
railway station, yes.
at Soro
So it's the report of the IIC Baleswar GR. So the earlier occasion, this honorable court sought for the instruction and to file counter the regarding the
Act, my lord.
regarding the
He should have filed the before the tribunal if he is a passenger.
you are not a passenger no?
Not a passenger. Thereafter, if not a passenger, my lord, if accidental fall or any manner, there must be a DRM report, my lord. Or loco pilot.
Because the case is the counter is being called for from the Union of India. Because on
You
being
file your
satisfied-
counter, sir?
Yes, ma'am. On being satisfied.
Learn concept of this Union of India to file the counter. This is the matter on 28th November.
My lord, obligement.
Next,
Item 24.
24.
I may be permitted, Your Lordship. I am in virtual mode. Your
Yes.
Lordship, the last occasion, as per direction of the court, I have already served the copy. And whether the counter has been filed or not, at the behest of the opposite party or not, I do not know.
My lord,
But
today I'm
You have further?
filing counter. I'm for OP number 1 and 2.
80 counter file हो रहा है एटा सर काउंटर
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖୋଜିଲି ପାଇଲିନି।
ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଆପଣ ସେଠି ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି
ନାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିନି ତାଙ୍କୁ କପି
ସେଠି କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସର୍ଭ ଆପଣ କପି କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ କାହା ଗୋଟେ କହିବେ ସେ କପି ସର୍ଭ କରିବେ
ମୋ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଦେଇ ପଠେଇଦେବେ ଭଲ କଥା, ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ରଖିଦେବି ତାଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ।
ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ ଗଳେଇ ଦେଇକି ଦେଇଦେବି ତ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କିଏ
ନାଇଁ,
ଅଛି ତାକୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ସେ ନୋଟ କରିବେ
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
9692857496
ଆପଣ ତ ପୁରା ରାଜଧାନୀ ଭଳିଆ ଗଲେ ହବ ନମ୍ବର କହିବେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ
9692857496
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ 96 ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହିବା ଶିଖିନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଆପଣ ମାନେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଘରେ କଥା ହଉଛନ୍ତି
96
928 574 96
ହେଲା 10ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ 10ଟା ଜିଟ୍ ହେଲା ତ
9692857496
ଆଜ୍ଞା
10ଟା ଡିଜିଟ୍ ହେଲା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
ଆଜ୍ଞା 10ଟା ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା 10ଟା
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇ ନମ୍ବରରେ ଆପଣ କଲ୍ କରି
matter may let's say matter may be taken up next week
after vacation
no next week vacation of kind after vacation
ସରି ଲାଗୁଡ ଅଛି ନା ଡିସେମ୍ବର ଆସି ଡିସେମ୍ବର ନାଇଁ ଆଉଟେ
ହଁ ସମ ଏ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ୱିଣ୍ଟର ଭ୍ୟାକେସନ ସେଟା ଅଲଗା
ହଁ ସେଇ ତ ୱିଣ୍ଟର ଭ୍ୟାକେସନ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି list the matter on 17th କରିଦିଅ 17th
ଆଜ୍ଞା
okay
25.
Twenty-five.
Disengagement of GRS, Lordship.
And counter has all, they have served the counter yesterday, your lordship.
So you want to file the rejoinder?
No, rejoinder is not necessary. They have
Yes,
not,
sir.
they have, they have not given a single act of evidence against me in the
Is
counter.
appellable order?
No, my,
Appeal before? Collector?
no, there is GRS. Disengagement of GRS, your lordship.
It appeal could is
Appeal, no.
So have you appeal?
No, my lord. Appeal is not on basis of local order. They have disengaged me.
तो अपील करी हेबनी लोकायुक्त
same-
ऑर्डर बोली कोन हल लोकायुक्त ऑर्डर बेसिस रे करले तो से एडा ए करे
No, the first occasion, your lordship, first occasion, your lordship, when you have admit and take instruction, well, so directed that is, I had the matter.
anyway take
though-
it से जीव से वेल से पड़े okay you want to file the rejoinder
Rejoinder is not
okay
necessary.
matter खत्म एते कथा बोल argue the matter
They have disengagement by the annexure 8, your lordship, on the ground that the misappropriation of money and misappropriation of falsely and beneficiary to the, there is no scheme for GRS, there is no financial irregularity has been done by the GRS as per the, as per the annexure 1, your lordship's guideline.
Rohan as per the report this is a disengagement order
Yes.
17/8/2023 disengagement order okay as per Lokayukta case number LY 486 page 469 as per Lokayukta case number LY 486 of 2021 a preliminary inquiry was conducted by the Deputy Director Inquiry Finance of Lokayukta Odisha regarding complaint alleging that the dog well sanctioned during year 2021-22 in favor of Sri Purnachandra Maharana has been constructed in the courtyard of the beneficiary in violation of the government guideline instead of an agricultural land in the Bosali Hata GP of Narsingpur block. The present petitioner, as he was geotagged for the said excavation site of the dug well, was recommended for the release of payment of government money. Full stop. He was directed by the Lokayukta video letter number 6805 or dated 27/3/2023 to reply with the directors of the to the allegation made. Who has made the allegation?
One Purnachandra Mahai.
By one Purnachandra Maharana also.
Allegations.
But the said beneficiary, she said the beneficiary, na?
Yes, ma'am. That I have not rule in that case. Even if only I photo.
But you are geotag.
No, my lord. I am a photo only verification that
Geotag sir. Geotag. GEOTAGGED.
Hello. Same judgment.
Geotag.
Geotag. Mrs.
Same judgment
the
as
petitioner has
already.
submitted in the written statement that he has been falsely
No, my-
implicated in the case.
No, he has admitted that.
No,
he
my
has
lord. I have
false-
not admitted. In my show cause, your lords will kindly see annexure 7.
No. In the written statement, he also given personal hearing. Up to personal hearing. This.
No, my lord. Nothing.
Like
Same, my lord.
he has been admitted
I
to
have no personal hearing. I have already given your lordship. I have taken already government. No personally, only show cause. They have invited a show cause. After show cause, they have disengaged me without.
after so did you file the reply?
Show cause reply I
File कले
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
opportunity hearing तो दिया गला आ कौन opportunity hearing कौन आपने show cause वाले जरूरी है कि आपने बस से के सुने भी खाली बहुत समय written
in the show cause I have
written जो reply देते that is also sufficient sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. In the show cause I have already kindly see my soda annexure 7. I have already
सर
written.
गोटे जो डॉक्यूमेंट को इनवाइट करंती तापर सय ना गोटे आ गोटे मांकड़ वाला दियंती कोन भाई ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣିବେ ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଦେଖିବେ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଯିବେ ଡାକିଦେଲେ ମତେ ଡାକିଦେଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦିସ୍ ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ଆଇଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଏନେକ୍ସର 8 ରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲେଟ୍ସ ସି ନ ଦେଖିକି ଖାଲି ଡେଇବେ ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଆଣିବେ ଦେଖିବେ କଣ ଅଛି କଣ ନାହିଁ ଲେଟ୍ ମି ସି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ ଗो ଟୁ ଇନଭାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ अनदर ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଠି what is the habit ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ come to this document come to that document କଣ ମାନେ ମୁଁ I can't go like a monkey I am human being it's not possible for jump like a monkey
they have a decision is been on the ground that I have false added the eligible benefits
so yes
and
that is the
misappropriate
case for
and
decision
also misappropriate the government money and education for execution of the project.
ତ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି report ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ against what can I do I don't have any scope to go and verify whether report is correct or incorrect
no mal I am given to the guideline your lordship guideline that is not a single word that the GRS has no role even if the they kindly see your lordship and
କେମିତି GRS ରୋଲ ରହି sir
no my lord
କାହା ଘରେ କୋଉ ପୁଅ ଖୋଳା ହବ କଣ ହବ ଏଟା ହେବନି
yes my lord even if same judgment your lordship and that is the
judgment ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇଏ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ରେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଆସୁନି ଦେଖିବେ ନା
guideline and nothing my lord kindly single word
ଖାଲି ନାହିଁ କହିବା ଶିଖିଛନ୍ତି
kindly see your lordship annexure 1 your lordship guideline guideline I have annexure 1
7 I have added it
annexure 1 your lordship kindly see you my I have already annexed the guideline running page 26 eligibility of beneficiary thereafter selection of procedure your lordship
lordship got it page 7
selection of procedure then your lordship
geotagging process flow of geotagging of assets
modality of execution your lordship annexed
you can say what
page 7 13.1.1 the sheet 1.1 starts with process flow of geotagging of assets under Geo Manrega phase 1 see geotagging of complete
page 7 of the counter as per laws of the state as per the the guideline prescribed
the duties of GRSP is the left height
just as per the annual master circular 2020-23 issued by the issued under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 issued by Ministry of Rural Development Department of Rural Government of India as per clause 13.1.1 of this starting number 1 para C
merit
sheet of code repeat yeah
your lordship geotagging of completed assets through Bhuban mobile platform using Android based mobile app developed exclusively for Manrega for field level data capturing as well as asset visualization capabilities and report generation tools. This includes capturing of GPS location of the asset along with photographs by Mahatma Gandhi special
asset
line that is the only sentence my lord the gram rozgar sahayak jota ethi ame sevak my lord ame koche ethi gram rozgar sahayak technical assistants or any other functionary at gram panchayat level are to be designated as MSc to carry out the above mentioned responsibilities. Now what he is saying that
kindly see your lordship page 28 your lordship
let me tell you as per guideline you are responsible for this you cannot say that I am not responsible geotagging it is the duty of the gram rozgar sevak ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାମ ସେଟା ଆଉ geotagging ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ରଙ୍ଗ ରେ ଆପଣ geotagging କଲା ଦେଖି ପାରିଲେନି ସବୁ ତ ଖାଇ ପିଇକି ବସି ପଡିଥିବେ ତାପରେ ଆସିକି କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆଇଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ବଞ୍ଚାବଲେ କି କୋର୍ଟ ବଞ୍ଚିବ କିଛି କରିହେବନି
same judgment you
same judgment ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୋ judgment
I am not kindly see your lordship guideline
I am not guideline ରେ ଆପଣ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ପଢି ସାରିଲିଣି
modality of execution
modality
of execution your lordship
ଆପଣଙ୍କ work sphere ରେ ଆସୁଛି ସେଟା
yes my kindly see yeah my
সেটা 16 মସିহাରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ୟାଗ annex ମୁଁ I'll be fair he has annexed the guideline of 2016
will be implemented by the panchayat
subsequently by
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି sir ସେ ଲାଟେଷ୍ଟ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଏଟା କେବେ କଲେ ଏଇ କାମଟା କେବେ ହେଲା?
এটা 2020 রে 20 19 and 20
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଟା କେବେ?
23 your lordship, that is 23.
23
Yes ma'am.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଟା କୋଉ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ applicable? ଆପଣ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କୋଉଟା
2016
ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଟା ଅଛି?
yes ma'am.
ପଢିଲେ
Yes ma'am. I have already annexed that annexure. 28. The modality of execution, the construction dog well will be implemented by the Panchayat Samiti. Before commencement of work, the video will move the DRDA for online to sanction and financial sanction by collector cum DPC. Collector cum DPC. Then
ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା ପଢିଛନ୍ତି modality ନାଇଁ?
modality. Running page 28 your lordship. The work order shall be issued to the eligible beneficiary. The list of
ଆପଣ ସେ
beneficiaries.
ଯୋଉ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ?
Yes ma'am. Same. I have already supplied the copy last occasion. I have already given supply the copy. Same. It has Pukhori, it has dog well.
ଏଟା ପୋଖରୀ?
Yes ma'am. It is dog well.
ପୋଖରୀ ଡବଲ ସମାନ
Hey, Pukhori ta kuata. Same
ଏଇ
ଜିନିଷ.
scheme ଟା ତ only for
And
dog
that
well
has
ନା?
already recovered that amount.
Well, this
Nothing has
scheme is
been-
only confined to dog well only. Say scheme that judgment may not be applicable because
How
ଏଇଟା
come they applicable?
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା only ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ
That is
guideline ଟା
therefore-
ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି that guideline for irrigation infrastructure development through construction of dog well under Manrega.
Same.
ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ପୋଖରୀ
They have
scheme ଟା କେମିତି
also,
ଆସିବ?
that judgment also narrated 2000.
ଆପଣ ରିଟର୍ନ ସବମିଶନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Yes.
ଦେଇଦେବି।
ଆଉ ରିଟର୍ନ ସବମିଶନ ଡିଟେଲ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Yes.
ରିଟର୍ନ ସବମିଶନ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲଗେଇଦେବି। 6th ରେ 6th ରେ ରିଟର୍ନ ସବମିଶନ 6th ରେ पूरा डिटेल क्लॉज देगी सब लिखिए वाला
26. Not hearing this case.
both the side you are also next
Milord, the high-handed and illegal exercise of power and jurisdiction of the consumer forum, Koraput Milord, is under challenge. Milord, there was a,
ଆପଣ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଗୁଡା ଏଠି କାଇଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ପାରୁନି।
sir, it is your lordship's assignment.
नो what is the କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ରେ କଣ ହେଲା?
No,
କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ରେ ଯଦି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଆମର ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଫୋରମ ଅଛି
ତାଙ୍କର power jurisdiction or in of the Anis Ahmed case.
ଆରେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେ
ସେଗୁଡାକ ତାଙ୍କର jurisdiction ବାହାରେ।
ମାନିବିନି ସେଟା।
Sir,
ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ କୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟା ଦେବି ନା କୋଉ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟା ଦେବି? କିଏ ବଡ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ ବଡ ନା ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ବଡ?
sir, statute board. Statute says,
ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ କୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବୁ।
sir, statute says,
ହଁ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଗୁଡା ଅପିଲ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ରଖିଛି।
if it is an assessment, but consumer to avoid that payment, Milord, he went
ଏମିତି
to
ତାହେଲେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ସେଠି ଡିଲିଟ କରାନ୍ତୁ କିଛି କରିହେବନି।
consumer forum jaigiri, your lordship on that issue disposed of a case, 2-3 cases your lordship disposed of.
ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅପିଲ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ରିଜ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଇଲ ପାସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର।
Sir, challenge कर।
ପ୍ରିଜ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ। ପ୍ରିଜ ଡିପୋଜିଟ କଣ ପାଇଁ ରଖା ହେଇଛି?
Yes.
ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ଲୁଜିଂ ପାର୍ଟି,
Yes.
ଯେ ଲୋକ ଡିପ୍ରାଇଭ ପାର୍ଟି ସେ
ଯିବ appeal ରେ ଯିବ।
ନ ହବ ବୋଲି ସେ ରଖା ହେଇଛି।
Appeal ଯିବ ତା ଯାହା
ଆଉ
requirement
ଆପଣ
deposit
ଅପିଲ
କରି ଯିବ।
ଦେବିନି ପଇସା ଦେବିନି ବୋଲି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇଲେ କେମିତି
ନାଇଁ
ହବ?
ସାର୍ ସେଠିକି ସେମାନେ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଡିବେଟ୍ କରିକି ସେଠିକି
ଆପଣ
ପଳେଇଗଲେ ଯୋଉଟା
ସେଠିକି
କି
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
ଯୋଉଟା କି
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବିନି।
ଅନିଶ ଅହମ୍ମଦ କେସ୍ ରେ ସାର୍
ସେ
କହିଲେ
ମୁଁ କେସ ମାନିବିନି ମୁଲକିଲ ମାନେନି ମୁଁ ସେଟା।
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଡେଲି ବେସିସ୍ ରେ
ସିମିଲାର କେସ୍ ମିଳିଲା ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ସିମିଲାର ଯୋଉଠି କନଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ ପାୱାର ନାହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ୍ କରିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ଗୁଡାକ ଏବଂ ୟୁନିଭ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ବାର ଅଣ୍ଡର ସେକ୍ସନ 126 ମିଲର ଦେयर ଇଜ ଅପିଲ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ and consumer is to approach the appellate authority under 127 and this has been debated
କାହା ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
sir south ko petition
ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ଆସୁ ଦେଖିବା ତାକୁ ସେଠି ପକେଇଦବା ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦବ। ସେଟା ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ମୋକରି ହେଲାଣି। ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଛି ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ ର କେହି ବିକଜ ପ୍ରି ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଇନକମ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁଟ ପଳେଇବା କଥା ସବୁ ପଳେଇବା କଥା ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସବୁ ଆସିବା ଇନକମ ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଯିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ ସାର୍
ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ କାଇଁ ରଖା ହେଇଛି ସରକାର?
high handed power of the consumer
ହାଇ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଡ ପାୱାର ହେଲେ ସେଠିକି ଯିବେ। ଏଠିକି ଆସିବା ଦରକାର। ଯାହା ଆପଣ ସବୁଥିରେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରହିଲେ ହବ। ସହମତ ଗଲା କୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର କେସ ରେ ଏସଏଲପି ଷ୍ଟେଜ ରେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦବା ସେ ଏସଏଲପି ମାନିବି ଲ ଏଟା। କୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଇଫେକ୍ଟସ ନେଇକି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଥିବ। Okay, issue notice.
Milord, that stay of impugned order.
Na stay करनी.
Sir, sir, देखना है लिखଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ତାକୁ 30 days ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ଟଙ୍କା ସେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି already sir, final assessment amount he has paid and subsequently went in to the consumer forum instead of preferring appeal. If he has paid the amount, he has a right to prefer appeal under 127. Sir, ସେଇଟା ନ କରିକି amount paid କଲା ପରେ ତା consumer forum କହିଲେ ତମେ ସେ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ତାକୁ ଫେରେଇବ, ତାଙ୍କୁ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା cost ଦବ। ଏଇଟା sir ତାଙ୍କର consumer forum jurisdiction bar ଏଇଟା। You will also see the last part of the order, the quash the penal bill imposed. No, ତାଙ୍କର power କୋଉଠି ଆସିଲା?
Legal order passed by the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Koraput, therefore established the Consumer Protection Commission. In the disputes of the consumer electricity arising out of supply of electricity and dispute related to disconnection of power supply due to default in payment of the dues arises of assessment made under section 126 of the Constitution 2003 by the assessing officer of the license TPSODL. And the petitioner challenges the institution of CC case number 26 of the before the district court. He further submits that the said order passed by the district court is in contravention of the provision of the Electricity Act 2003, but violation of the apex court statement. In SMP civil number 55/96 of that is EP power corporation versus state of Hon'Ble. Let notice be issued in supplemental notification to copy number 12. Solo opinion. By registered post ready. In the meantime, there shall be stay of the operation of the order letter. Stay of the operation of the letter. N7/2023 passed by the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, Koraput at Jaipur. In Consumer Complaint number 56 of 2020. Next date is 23rd November. Next.
Item 27.
27.
No, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, yesterday we received the counter to 2 weeks time. Yes,
Counter.
yesterday we copies of
You
yesterday.
want to file the agenda?
My lord, 2 weeks time.
Don't pass with it. So 6 to file the agenda is the matter. 22nd November.
My lord.
Next.
28.
28. क्या हुआ? कुछ किया?
डिसेंबर को आसु
हाँ?
नहीं एटा अछि
सरी बनी छड़ा?
11
जनवरी आसता.
10-11 को अछि आसु
जनवरी आसु. अच्छा डिसेंबर 20 को. डिसेंबर 20.
ता अगेंस्ट रे क्राइम ब्रांच इंक्वायरी हला.
I am not going to all these things.
से जो जे फेक चाकरी करी नौथला दरम
एटा छाड़ा जहां कला कला से हमर जगह नहीं. एई केस तमर सेठी हिसी कोन हिसी कोन.
ना एटा पेंडिंग अछि.
नेक्स्ट. बताओ जे से कला क्राइम ब्रांच इंक्वायरी करी कला. सेवन तागर करंतु. नेक्स्ट.
मो तो सेटा की भास थिला मोर मो सेटा की भास थिला
सेटा मो I pass the order. I can't do anything.
आपण टिके
Only thing you have to deposit or not.
5 मिनिट हेतिले समय
Let next.
In this case, my lord, your lordship has directed on 24/8/2023 that both the hotel will give the dates and accordingly amicable settlement will be done.
Did you take any step? Both the parties.
नहीं amicable settlement possible no है from our side because we have sought for intervention. They have not made us party, though there is allegation against us. Your lordship also rightly passed the interim order that other side they will not throw any garbage anything. That is why. So we have also filed application for intervention. Well, your lordship kindly appreciate one thing. It is
for the other party.
Other party. So kindly appreciate one thing that we have nothing to disagree. If garbage is stopped and totally that side is closed, but we don't find any cooperation is there.
But at the same time, Lordship may consider it is a question of taking consent to run a hotel. That is under the Air Pollution Act. So unless the consent is given, one cannot, because that is the preventive measure.
Who has not taken the consent?
They have not taken the consent.
You have taken the consent.
We have everything. We have everything.
Who has not taken the consent?
But one thing, my lord, it is appellable.
First of all,
It is appellable.
who is he?
Anyway,
Can he advance the cause of when they have being hands in glove with the pollution board? They will.
No, I'm not on that part. I'm saying.
So who is he at all to file a petition? They have filed a petition yesterday. I'm surprised to know how at all they
petition no ma affidavit file करतो ना.
এটা হবো এটার কোন যে মতে WhatsApp রে সে দিলে কোন মেসেজ সে মেসেজটা এতে লেখা আছে শ্রীনিবাস মাতিকে পে মেসেজ দেব শ্রীনিবাস মাতি কোন খাইয়াକୁ ଦେଇতো সেটা ବି চলেনি তাই সে that should have been reflected.
No, just
I want to see.
My lord, I am stopping my mouth.
Just a minute. Only thing is just you settle out.
It is the pollution board to file their counter. They have to proceed with. And I vehemently oppose their entry into this subject.
No,
I have a case against pollution board.
Pollution board and you are the party.
So
let them file a
sir,
counter.
sir, here they have my lord, here
a private dispute will be carried to this High Court, and throwing a garbage is a human rights violation, and that will be decided by the High Court.
अरे आम्ही आसीଛୁ कोण कोर्ट को
नहीं ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛ ତମେ who is privy to address the court? Who is privy to address the court?
Just a minute, Mr. Mahanti, just let me.
I have the first audience.
Let me.
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କଣ ମନା କରୁଛି
ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ.
Too much.
my lord,
Yes.
my lord, here my lord, he has
What reply?
my lord, here you will see here he has challenged for quashing of the annexure 11. Annexure 11 your lordship see, because he is your lordship annexure 11 page 56 your lordship. Since he has not taken consent, we have already directed him to stop operation till you file the documents. He has not stopped operation. He has not replied to this letter dated 6/4.
For that you will file a counter.
My lord,
so as in today, they have not filed, and they are supporting the cause of a private party.
This is not the way. We are hearing you.
Actually, that's a burning issue.
Yes, I'm
not acquainted with this kind of practice, Miller.
Yes,
I'm not acquainted.
अरे आपण हम अगेंस्ट एलिगेशन करछन्ते हम पार्टी करना दे सेति पे माय लॉर्ड हैव पास द एंट्री ऑर्डर ना
इंटरनल ऑर्डर तुमको पार्टी कर ना तुम सुनी कर ना
we are affected by the entry order.
Again,
are you affected by the entry order?
I am affected because your lordship conditional order was passed.
No, what is that?
Conditional is that your lordship kindly see that interim order first order, that interim order.
Garbage.
My learned friend is not allowing me. If your lordship permit me, then
Upon interim order, how are you affected?
interim order I am affected nahi. Interim order is violated.
No.
That we have
so violated the pollution control board to say na.
से कौन?
So if interim order is affected,
नहीं last time your lordship directed on his advance submission that sort out करिए.
Let it be between these two parties. Just
yes. But one thing I may assist you.
If you are affected by interim order, then you have a cause.
May I just assist your lordship as a senior counsel? So far the legal point is concerned. This order is appellable before the appellate authority.
Will render a free advice.
And again,
unless asked for.
Not for this is not the way, Mr. Mahanti, to make a submission. This is not the way to make a submission.
No, you are not privy. I oppose vehemently. You are not privy to address the court.
Mahanti versus Mahanti, please stop.
You are not privy.
Let Mahanti versus
No, you saw it in Singapore chamber?
No. Okay. Just Mr. Mahanti. Let it be Mahanti versus Mishra, not Mahanti versus.
ये कोई दिन हेला ये प्रैक्टिस मुझे जानी मैंने से सीनियर काउंसिल छिला पे भटकिर कभी आमे मुखरा बैठू से भटकिर कह देबे
आपण कोन Mr. Mishra? Yes.
My lord, since already closure direction has been given to him and he has not complied it, so the closure direction appeal lies, my lord. True, Article section 31 appeal lies to the authority.
So they have not complied the closure.
No, my lord, they have not complied.
ये जो डायरेक्शन टा दिया जाइतला एथे जो दिया है ची
Annexure 11
मैं काउंटर दबा करता काउंटर टा सेटा को दो आई विल आंसर टू दैट
Just a minute. So give me the
natural justice violation and without following any order they have passed.
ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ କଥାରେ ଚାଲିଗଲେ ସିନିୟର କାଉନସିଲ କହିଦେଲେ ତ ସେଇ କଥା ମନେ ପଡିଗଲା ତ ଦେଖି ଦେଖି କହିଦେବା
No, that is statutory.
I have the right to body balance.
right to know yes.
I have a right to
Don't have
body
a-
balance of the advocate.
ସେଇଟା ଦେଖ ସିଧା
Aja,
ଆପଣ
before closure, have you given the show much?
My lord, my lord. So coach has been given that you should give the documents. Unless until you give the documents, we cannot process the consent application. He says that 3 months time he took it for it, and despite that he never submitted. Then we can say that he close the hotel and give the documents. He never comply that
You
order.
have given the document.
it is a
Sir, just I am asking a question.
Yes.
Answer my question. No here and there. Have you given the document asked by the pollution?
Yes,
control?
I have filed all the documents.
Where is that? Can you show me?
Yes, I'll show the documents. I filed. The documents, which document they have asked for now?
No.
I'll go to that. Which document they are in particular they require for this case.
Then let me do one thing. Let's close the issue. Whatever document you have asked for, where is the document?
Annexure 9, your lordship.
Annexure 9.
Page 53, your lordship.
So these are you are directed to furnish.
Yes, my lord.
Valid CTO order.
My lord, my lord.
What action you have taken with respect to pollution control measure?
Yes.
The present status of the land,
Yes.
hotel. What action you have taken? So all these answers you have given.
Everything is answered.
Where is that?
So if everything is answered, they are all this.
Annexure 10, your lordship. Annexure 10. He has given the reply.
Annexure 11 in the full order.
Annexure 10, page 50.
Just one page. Step one page. This is not the way. Just a minute. They are answer to go.
My lord, Annexure 10, page 55, your lordship.
Annexure 10 answer.
Annexure 10, your lordship, he has taken 3 months. Therefore, pray that you may kindly give me enough to allow 3 months time for which you are kindly the person. For the last 3 months he has already expired. He never given. Again, another letter was given. You close the hotel till you furnish the documents. He never
do one thing, sir.
My lord,
No, just no. Just if a authority is passing in order to give certain documents, show cause, instead of that giving the document, you are asking for time. And 3 months time they you have asked for, just listen to me. 3 months time have been validly granted to you, and instead of giving those things when those periods 3 month period is over, and you have come to this court.
No,
yes.
Annexure 11. My lord, Annexure 11.
11. What is that 11? Yes.
In Annexure 11,
yes.
Which document they are asking for? Okay, my lord. I'll go to that. We will also Annexure 9.
Your lordship, paragraph 2, your lordship. Paragraph 2 of the paragraph 2, your lordship.
First annexure 9. Let's go to annexure 9. Annexure 9. These are the documents they are asking for. The present status of the land, what action you have taken to restrain the throwing garbage over the roof or top. All these answers you should have given.
All these answers
not given, sir. You have not given.
Have been submitted.
No, where is that? Give me that submission.
I'll give that.
You give that.
Let it be taken up the day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. You answer me this question.
Yes,
if you have given it and they have not taken.
I'll answer.
Okay, answer. Day after tomorrow. Next.
কিন্তু গোটে প্রিভেন্ট করা যাও he should not be a mouthpiece of the
no nothing was I am not allowing anything, sir.
Yes.
I am not allowing it. I also aware over it.
Yes.
Only thing I am allowed in the list between you and the pollution
Yes.
control board. That should be some. It should stop somewhere. Yeah. Next.
Pardon, no, lordship.
Lunch, after lunch.
Pardon, no, lordship. Lordship, item now 27 in order to continue.
My lord, I am for the delay condone. My lord, the case is posted tomorrow for my lord the taking of evidence of the wife. My lord, may I pray, my lord, that proceeding may be 12 proceeding may be stayed till
Kali jau outdated dike.
Kali ka sunani. Sita na.
वो काली वाला प्रॉब्लम है रेस्ट again
no, no.
things have to be done, so let it
This is कौन है जी कि आधे रह गए
6
1,90,000 area in pursuance of order passed by this honorable court, 60,000 deposit करचंती आज्ञा सेटा नने withdraw कर देले आज्ञा then I am suffering a lot.
You are the wife.
My lord.
So Monday भितरे कौन है?
आज्ञा
एते दिन रहिला Monday
आज्ञा obligation.
Next.
Item 31.
31.
31, may I please, Lord? I am for the petitioner, my lord.
And for the wife. On
VC, my lord.
Thursday. Because we are up to 3 o'clock, so even if it starts, it may not end. That's why I thought it's good. It'll be better.
Lord, I'm from the VC, my lord, opposite party.
I am in VC, my lord.
You are for the wife?
Respondent wife, my lord.
So what is the issue?
Lord, my lord, kindly taken next week, my lord, for hearing. As per the order of this honorable court, I have already complied this order and paid the all area maintenance.
He has paid the area maintenance, mister?
Yes, my lord, 50% as per the directions.
Okay. Whatever order passed. Okay.
Already
Then
complied.
Let's fix it for some other, for final hearing.
My lord, a specific date may be given because the name
Sir,
is,
I always give specific date, don't worry.
my lord, actually my
I
name
don't give a non-specific date.
erroneously reflected in
Days commencing week, October first week is all kind of orders I don't pass. I give specific date, don't worry. So 8th November.
8th November.
My lord, start. Interim order may be extended.
Interim order to come. Next.
Item 32.
32.
My lord, I have received the counter, your lordship. I will file rejoinder.
Rejoinder?
My lord. GRS matter disengagement.
Okay, learn concept of the. ए DRS GSD कितने काउंटर रिजेंडर करंती म गुडे काउंटर टे गला त सीधा आंसर खत्म कर देवा कथा
My lord,
रिजेंडर फाइल करिवे ये करिवे
your lordship kindly hear, your lordship.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग
Yes, lord.
ए छोटा छोटा मैटर गुडा सार
My lord.
काउंटर रिजेंडर करे कितने समय वेस्ट करिवे
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship.
Yes, what is the issue?
My lord, NSR 4 page 14 is the charges level against me and invited me to file so cause, your lordship. That is, my lord, kindly see the
NSR?
NSR 4 page 14, your lordship.
14 years.
5 charges has been leveled against me, my lord.
Habitual absence,
Habitual
gross
absence from government
negligence,
duty
willful
without the
disobedience.
approval of the authority.
What do you
and-
say?
My lord, I have given my reply to that, your lordship.
So what is the reply?
Reply to NSR 15, your lordship.
15 or 5? Ba?
NSR 5 page 15, your lordship. My lord, I have given my reply. I was transferred to the.
Your reply, they are not convinced with the reply.
My lord, not convinced. That is the whole difficulty, your lordship. The person.
How can I make them convinced?
My lord, that.
This is a read jurisdiction, sir.
Yes, lordship. That. To that point, I am saying, your lordship, with whom I was performing my duty, that person has given certificate that the petitioner was perfectly doing his duty. My lord, opposite party number 4, your lordship. And second thing, your lordship, in absence, there is no document that I was unauthorized in absence. One thing. Second thing, your lordship. Alcoholic. That there is also simply allegation. There is no medical report that I am the habitual drunkard.
Medical, the
My-
car, just hold on.
Yes, lordship.
କାହାର ବି ଯୋଉ ମଦ ପିଅନ୍ତି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର habitual drunkard ବୋଲି ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ବାହାରିବନି habitual drunkard ବୋଲି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଏମିତି ବାହାରିବା କଷ୍ଟ
My lord. That is true, your lordship.
especially ଦେଶୀରେ ତ ଆହୁରି ବାହାରିବନି
ଆଉ ବାହାରିବନି।
ଏଥିରେ କମ ଥାଏ
My lord.
ପ୍ୟାକେଟ ମଦର
My lord.
ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ବାହାରିବନି
My lord, my sole submission, all the allegations is only the oral. There is not a single document or evidence, oral evidence or documentary is there to prove all the charges. तुम मद पूछ तुम काम करूनो तुम ऑफिस आसुनो तुम ये करू
सर ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କହିଲେନି
My lord,
ଆପଣ କିଛି କରିଥିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ନା
must, my lord, that is some must duty, but main allegation that is the negligence.
you are doing a serious duty so
My lord,
if you don't perform your duty
most
they will say
major
and now
charges.
the question ମୁଁ କରିନି ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି ନ କରିଛନ୍ତି that who can find you
There must some part, therefore there is smoke, your lord. Say I am not disputing, but the main
you
allegation.
understand that
My lord.
you know the outcome he also knows the outcome
My lord,
I am only confused
my lord, sole major allegation is negligence in duty and
Obviously,
unauthorized
that is-
action.
that
To
is
that,
serious.
to that extent, my lord, I am submitting your lordship.
Mm.
The present petitioner was transported to a place that is 70 kilometers away from his village, your lordship. Regularly, he is coming and going to that place, your lordship. In some days, there is some delay, but there is not absent, your lordship. That is the sole
What
ground,
is your answer, Mr.
my lord.
Mr.
Fortunately, the counter is missing from my file.
Counter is missing. Counter is here in our system.
But I think it is-
दे दियो ना, दे दियो.
counter is missing.
कॉपी दे दियो. अब अगर अच्छी दे दो. Give extra copy for you. दे दे counter. Yes, yes, perhaps. Now you use your counter.
Thank you.
ये तो सरपंच सरपंच नहीं सरपंच में किए पे कुछ
This is
Abra-
not Sarpanch.
Sarpanch has given counter in my favor, your lordship.
Amar counter to check.
That is.
फेवर अच्छी सरपंच या सब
Sarpanch to thank favor देई.
बस ଭଲ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ବଢିଆ
3,500 ନା 5,000 ଟଙ୍କା salary, your lordship.
अच्छा 3,500 hold on let me tell you 3,500 5,000 salary ପାଇଁ ଏତେ କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ଏ କୋର୍ଟ ଫୋର୍ଟ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ଯାହା ଛାଡିଦେଲେନି
ସେଥିରେ ବି ଚାଲୁଛି ଘର, your lordship.
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ 3,500 5,000 କଥା କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଚାକିରି ଆପଣ ଘରକୁ ଦେଇକି ଆପଣ ତ ନିଜେ ଚୁଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି କଣ କରିବେ କାରଣ ଲୋକ ଆମର କିଛି କାମ କରିବେନି ଚାଷ ବାସ ଜମି ଥାଇକିରି ବି ଚାକିରି କରିବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପଛେ ଗୋଡିବେ ଚାକିରିରେ କିଛି ଫାଇଦା ହେବନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଲୋକ ଚାକିରି ପଛରେ ଦୌଡିବେ ଆଉ କାମ ଏତିକି ପଇସା ବୋଲେ ହବ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କର ଜମି ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଖାଲି ପଡିଛି ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଶସ୍ତା କାମ କେମିତି ମିଳିବ ସହରରେ ବସିକିରି ଆରାମସେ ଲାଇଫ ଚାଷ କଲେ ତ ଟିକେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବା ସେ ଜେନର ଖତମ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ସେ କ୍ଲାସ ଥିଲା ସେ କ୍ଲାସ ବୁଢା ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏବେର କ୍ଲାସ ଖାଲି ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଟହଲିବା କ୍ଲାସ ଆଉ ମଦ ପିଇବା କ୍ଲାସ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ମଦ ନା ଟିକେ ଉପରେ ଗଲେ ଡ୍ରଗ୍ସ ଆଉ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ 5,000 ଚାକିରିରେ ସେ ଭଲ ଯୌତୁକ ପାଇବ ସେ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ମେନ୍ ଆଉ କଣ
Your lordship, you have filed an affidavit. Only whether the Manas Kumar Swami case is applicable or not. On the last occasion, your lordship, the petitioner.
ये मानस कुमार केस टा कौन टा मुझे जाना है मुझे जानी नहीं
Your lordship, kindly see the affidavit.
मुझे कॉपी टा देना नहीं
My lord.
It is
कौन है तेरे गोल्ड फॉल अच्छी किसी केस गोल्ड माइन
In two ground, in this honorable single judge has allowed the set aside the disengagement order in two ground. First ground is video is not the competent authority.
ये छाड़ा এটা আপনার কি আপনার কি কাটিছি
That is the
আপনার কাটিছি কি
here the collector.
the collector the rightly কাটিছি
My lord, but without any.
এটা মানস কুমার সাই কাই নছি এটা ভিডিও খাইলা না তহসিলদার গাড়ি
I have not taken any such. Here in this case, your lordship, simply your lordship kindly hear me.
ओके लेखो
My lord, at a time on same date, your lordship, collector has disengaged 3 GRS on same date, same order, same charges, same. They have also filed so much same order. 3 writ application has been filed by all the 3 persons. 2 persons were already reinstated in pursuant to the
order दियंतु
my lord.
आपण कर दवा कोन
My lord, this is the
order दियंतु
ताकरो allegation कौन थे ताकरो allegation कौन
से तो आप देखिए करियो ना
my lord, I am all my lord, the record has been also called.
May I
এটা তো মানস কুমার সাই কেসটা এটা কেndi হবো তাহলে
ସେଇଟା ତ କଥା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାନସ କୁମାର ସାଇ କେସ ଆପଣ ମାନସ କୁମାର ସାଇ କେସ ହେଲା ଏ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଇଜ କମ୍ପିଟେଣ୍ଟ ଅଥରିଟି ଅର ଦ ବିଡିଓ ତ ହିୟର କଲେକ୍ଟର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ କଲେକ୍ଟର କରିଛି ମାନସ କୁମାର ସାଇ କେସ ଦେଖିକି କଣ ଲାଭ ମିଳିବ
My lord, on that order they were already reinstated and they are doing their job duty.
ୟାଙ୍କୁ କି କରିଥିଲା
collector
Collector,
ଏ ଦିନ କଲେକ୍ଟର କରିଥିଲା
my lord,
ତ ଏ ମାନସ କୁମାର ସାଇ ଉପରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରିଛି
My lord, wrong, my lord, on that order, your lordship, kindly director taking instruction, those two persons were already registered and they are doing their job, your lordship. And same date, same date.
কিন্তু কবড় ହେଲା ମାନସ କୁମାର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ କହିଲା ପରା ଯେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଯଦି କାଢିଦବ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ ଭିଡିଓ କାଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଏ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଟସେଲ୍ଫ କେମିତି ହେଲା ଏ ମାନସ କୁମାର ସ୍ୱାଇଁକୁ ଫଲୋ କରିକି କରିଦିଆଯାଇଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ କି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇଦେବି
My lord, or here in my case, your lordship, there is absolutely not a single evidence against me with.
ସେଟା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଦିଟା ଦେଖେଇଲେ ମତେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇକି ଚାକିରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଲେକ୍ଟର ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଟା
if my submission is wrong, directive take instruction, your lordship.
ଏ ବିଚାରା କଣ ଯା ଏ ବି ତୁ ଯା
My lord,
ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ସେଟ୍ ଦେଖ ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର କର ତମେ ମାନସ କୁମାର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ କରିବନି ନା ମାନସ କୁମାର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ କରାହବନି କିନ୍ତୁ there was no cogent evidence found by the collector before terminating him from service. Hence, the conjecture and surmises upon which the collector has relied upon is not acceptable.
My lord, may I submit?
Allah.
My lord, may grant us the last opportunity to file the counter because we have not filed the counter.
ସରପଞ୍ଚ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ
That is incorrect.
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ତାପରେ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ସପୋର୍ଟେଡ ଲେଖିଦେବ ହେଲା ହେଇଗଲା ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ସେଟ୍ ଗୋ ଛାଡ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟା ଲୋକକୁ ଇଏ କରିଦେ ଭୁଲଭାଲ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଦୁଇଟା ହେଇଗଲା ଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ସେ ବିଚାରା କାହିଁ ହବନି ସେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ହବ ହେଲା ସେ ମାନସ କୁମାର ବିଲକୁଲ ଲେଖିବନି ବିଲକୁଲ ମାନସ କୁମାର ଆପ୍ଲିକେବଲ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଏ କେସରେ ଛାଡ ମାନସ କୁମାର ତାକୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଭଗବାନ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 33.
33
In item number 33. My
Okay,
lord, in
33
item number 33, I am appealing for the opposite party, contesting opposite
I
party.
am for petitioner.
1 week time is required to file the counter mail.
Okay, on time is granted to filing the counter list matter on 16, 17, 21. 21 days. Next.
Interim order may continue.
Interim order to continue. Okay, next.
Item 34.
Item 34, my lords may kindly see order dated 15/9
My lord, in this
2023.
case, we have already received the parallel counter. Will be filing the counter affidavit.
The counter of the Union of India is also equally important.
What is the number? What is the appealing for the Union of India?
Yes, Ponda.
What is the Union of India? Fees ମିଳୁନି
Fees ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପାଉଥିବେ
ଆଉ ତ ଆସିବେନି ନା ପାଉନଥିବେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସେମିତି ଦଉନଥିବ ବୋଧେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଭଳିଆ anyway non appeals for the Union of India list matter on 15th November ଯାହା ଫିସ୍ ଗଲା ଯାହାର ଥିଲା ଯାଉ when the matter called non appeals for the Union of India ଲେଖ next
Item 36.
36
Fix it to 15th November.
yeah
36, my lord. The closure of my current account violating the RBI guideline and on being represented to ombudsman, the order
why did they close your account?
There is a RBI guideline, your lordships
Sir,
kindly.
I am not asking for RBI guideline.
Yes.
I am asking what was the reason for closing your account?
RBI guideline says that those who have 5 crores above credit facility, their current account cannot be opened. This guideline came into force, cannot be opened. This guideline came into force on 29 October 2021. My current account was opened in the year 2014. So this guideline does not apply. Apart from that, this regarding to
saving clause ଅଛି
yes
saving clause ଅଛି କି ଏଇ ଯଦି ଏହା ଥିବ ଆଗରୁ ହେଇଥିଲେ ହବନି ବୋଲି ଅଛି ସେ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଅଛି
if your lordships kindly have a glance, it's regarding to opening of current account.
Opening by
opening of current account
not
by
for the
banks.
account which is already in existence.
Yes.
Okay.
Always your lordships knows these are all prospective in nature. That cannot be retrospective.
So you say this circular cannot be
applicable to
you. Okay. So which bank?
HDFC Bank, madam.
HDFC.
Even though notice was issued, nobody appears. Neither from ombudsman nor from
ombudsman को क्या notice issue करनु तो ombudsman का notice issue
banking opposite party
ताको notice issue होनी ombudsman तो authority decide करछि से ताको notice के issue हो तो quasi judicial authority
again
HDFC mu jaichi.
HDFC से याको दे रजित राय को देंदी रजित राय को कॉपी देंदु लैंड काउंसिल petitioner to जेनी आओ दे देंदु बाय हैंड दे देंदु लैंड काउंसिल petitioner to take service has not been completed as
Service has been completed.
Service has been completed. Now appears for the HDFC Bank. Land council the petitioner is directed to serve a copy on Mr. Rajit Rai, who usually appears for the bank HDFC Bank. HDFC. List metron. 14 November. Next.
37.
37.
Seven, my lord. Here the amendment was allowed, consolidated was filed. A copy of the same has been served upon the state, my lord. The noting says the copy of the consolidated has not been served upon the private party. I have extra copy. I'm serving.
You are for the private party.
I'm for the opposite party 5. Yes, sir.
Private party.
Yes, sir.
You give a copy. You give a copy.
I'm serving it right now.
Okay. So I'm fixing another.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see matter on 8th November.
Grateful.
Get ready income. Final. Finish it. Our counter agent को लंबा खड़ा नहीं है कौन इस छोटे छोटे इसरे counter agent को
The legal services authority का order था
से दिन instruction नहीं गया से खत्म करा
interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
38.
38.
May I dismiss? One time also to file regional in this case.
ये कौन अच्छी है क्या? केस टा कौन?
Selection of the आशा का
आशा कर भी सिलेक्शन ले कितने काउंटर एजेंट को चलो तो छोड़ आर्ग्यू करो तो
नेक्स्ट वीक रोज
हां किछ नहीं आर्ग्यू करो किछ नथिबो से केस रे तू छाड़ काउंटर एजेंट को चलो
ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ये गुटे केस को 10 लाख सेति पे टाइम नहीं चलती
no time
हां जी भी आपण नहीं छथि आरो पर नहीं छथि
no without
you argue sir
yes
this is a small matter
yes,
finish every time people are asking for only time no I don't want to this
please without cancelling the first order the issued matters second order
so without so the issue is like the issue raised by the present petitioner is that without cancelling the first advertisement that was published on 15/1/2015 the who has not done it
the
medical officer
opinion number matters 6 matters
the opinion number 6 has issued another advertisement which is
on determined 9
not
11
in conformity with the guideline full stop तापरे कौन
ମାନେ petitioner matters meritorious conditions
huh
meritorious conditions petitioner matters and petitioner matters applied on
आपण टिके स्लो रे कहनांती एते स्पीड काय कहउजंती सब धीरे धीरे कह जाए इंग्लिश को स्पीड कहले भलो नुहे इंग्लिश को स्पीड ले इंग्लिश बीमारी लागि जाए आ जाननांती बड़ 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 इंग्लिश संती कहंती ए दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल करिवनी दिल्ली रे जाके ठा 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 कर देबे आधा कथा बुझिउ नथबो अरे की इंग्लिश आराम से स्मूथली that's always good English and foreign speaker मान का सुनना दे foreign speaker मान सब धीरे धीरे कहंती को foreign को भाव भाव देख जंती आते कोन जोर से कहंती आराम से कहंती yes कोन देबे
माने petitioner is eligible candidate for the post of matters asa karmi petitioner is eligible candidate
okay fine
matters the post apply for the said post matters
you applied
yes
then it was after your application it was abruptly cancelled and second was advertised
second after 2 years matters
after 2 years
yes
so during the currency of the first advertisement
yes
selection process is not over and you for the 2 years selection process is not over and you suddenly apply advertise the second without cancelling the earlier one that is what
that is the ground of the petition
so what is your
lordship
answer
on the first when the petitioner has applied in the year 2015 pursuant to the advertisement there is no candidates eligible candidates were found out
okay
that's why selection process could not be completed
okay but if it is not if it is if non found eligible what prevented you to advertise immediately cancel करिकरी करबा पई कोन असुविधा होतला आपण 2 वर्ष जाय कमे वेट करथले
my lord may appreciate that if your lordship will see the my counter the application your lordship kindly see there is a stipulation there
you have a stipulated period of 1 month or 2 months during that period suppose nobody applied then you should have cancelled it applied re-advertised
the eligibility criteria is the applicant should more than
sir I know eligibility I don't need to say all this
35 to 45 years
The petitioner has himself admitted that she is 23 years.
She is not the question. She is not raising that
She is
question.
not eligible to be selected. If 2015.
Question is here not eligible.
My lord.
Question, see what he is raising
My
is
lord.
during the subsistence of one advertisement, how could you go for second advertisement?
My lord, if the first advertisement will, there is no eligible candidate. That's why the selection.
So, आपण cancel कले की?
It has not been cancelled.
Then,
It has
without
not been
cancelling, how can you go for
But
second?
Now, if your lordship will see that again it will be cancelled. A fresh advertisement has come out.
Maybe.
Petitioner can apply. Now she is eligible, she can apply. My lord.
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁନି. My question is the legal question. When an advertisement is in existence, it has not been cancelled. Can you go in for second advertisement? That is the legal question. Yes. Can you go in for second advertisement? That is the question.
That should not happen.
Then forget about his eligibility. That's separate. His and her eligibility is separate issue. But this is a legal issue. How could you go in for second advertisement when this first advertisement is still in existence? People apply or not apply, different thing. But cancellation.
There must be some proceeding that as there is no eligible candidate found.
You are not eligible at that time.
No, my lord.
My lords, eligible ones in the marriage only the age grounds they have denied them.
So,
At the time the age of at the time the age
what
of
is the age? Minimum age kete?
25.
ଆପଣ କେତେ age ହଉଥିଲା?
23 1 month.
ଲଗାଲା nothing else. ଚलो ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ହେଇଗଲା ଏତିକି ଆପଣ ନେସରି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଜେନେରେଟ ଟାଇମ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି nothing ଆପଣ 23 ଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେତେବେଳେ 23 କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ଯଦି
ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ ରେ ସେମାନେ
ଅନ୍ୟ କେସ ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି ମୁଁ ଏଇ କେସ ଦେଖିବି
ସେଇ ବାଉଁଶୁଣୀ ଅଣ୍ଡର ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡସ୍ 20 ବର୍ଷ 21 ବର୍ଷ 22 ବର୍ଷ
ସେମିତି ବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ରେଟ୍ ନେବେ ଏବେ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା I'm allowing giving liberty.
ମୁଁ RTI ରୁ ପାଇଛି
sir. RTI ରଖନ୍ତୁ ବା RTI ଫାଇଲ
sir ଗୋଟେ one
RTI ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବି ମୁଁ RTI
ମୁଁ ବସ କିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ
ମୁଁ RTI କୁ ଦେଖିବିନି RTI is nobody for me. ଏମିତି RTI ରେ ମାନେ କିଛି ଆଜିକାଲି ବନେଇ ଆଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଛାପା ମାରି RTI ଦେଖେଇ ହଁ ଦୁଇ ତିନିଟା ବାଦ ଧରିଲେ
ମେଡିକାଲ ଅଫିସର ସେମିତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir ସେ 20 21 23 22 ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir ମୁଁ କପି ଗୋଟେ ଦଉଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ
ସେ କଣ କରିବେ
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ sir ସେ
ନେଇକିରି କଣ
କାଉନସିଲ sir ଭେରିଫାଇ
ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଭେରିଫାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ sir
ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାଙ୍କର 31 ବର୍ଷ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବଢିଆ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି
ଆନ୍ସର ଫର କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ଦିସ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ sir
କେତେ କେତେ ଏଜ ଲିମିଟ କେତେ
25 ରୁ 45
ହଁ
ସେଇ ସମୟରେ
31 ବଢିଆ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆରାମସେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଟୁ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲେ ଏବେ ୟଙ୍ଗ ଅଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା
23 ଇୟର୍ସ sir ସେଇ କେସ ରେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ତ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir
ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଗଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଏଡ୍ କଲେଣି
ଅନ୍ୟ sir NM ସେଣ୍ଟର ରେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ସେଇ ଏଜ ରେ ବିଲୋ 20 21 24 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir
don't argue
it is sir
I am cancelling it they will have fresh advertisement and selection will be completed within 3 months and you will be allowed to participate hala the petitioner has filed the present petition challenging the second advertisement notice of 1012 dated 9/1/2017 issued by the opposite party number 6 for the appointment to the post of Asha Karmi in Baudia Sahi of Bausuni Center at what's up? The said advertisement was issued without cancelling the first advertisement dated 15/1/2015 and they were devouring the petitioner for the post of Asha Karmi in Baudia Sahi of Bausuni Center in pursuance to the order dated 1/5/2023 passed by the London Civil Judge and consequently the petitioner states submits that since the petitioner was ineligible due to the underage, the petitioner could not have been considered. However, on the issue of cancellation of on the issue of issuance of advertisement without cancelling the issuance of the second advertisement without cancelling the first one has been palpably wrong by the authority. Law does not permit any advertisement, any fresh advertisement without cancelling the earlier one. However, the said center has been allowed to go without Asha Karmi for such a long time cannot be sustained. Considering the problem faced by the center due to the non appointment of the Asha Karmi, this court cannot allow this such situation to go for longer time. Full stop. In such view of the matter, what is the authority? OP number?
The numbers are 6 NM. Mounted.
OP number 6. ANM माउसरी करे ना मेडिकल ऑफिसर करे की करे आशा कर्मी करिवो ना
No, sir.
आशा कर्मी केदी करिवो ए मेडिकल ऑफिसर करिवो ना ओपी नंबर 5 मेडिकल ऑफिसर आईसी सीएचसी बाउंसनी at Bansani district both OP number 5 is directed to complete the selection process to go in for fresh advertisement and complete the selection process within 3 months from
already a fresh administration in the year 2017.
Ignoring all, cancelling all the advertisements published earlier, the OP number 5 is directed to conduct fresh advertisement, issue fresh advertisement to conduct the fresh selection process within 3 months from today. Full stop. The petitioner is also granted liberty to approach if in the said advertisement, in response to the said advertisement, if she is otherwise eligible. Apply karantu.
Item
Other
case there is one consider medical
karantu ki kathan.
Age of the 21, 22 months.
Call level mu khada bolo wrong call level mu wrong ko bar bar perpetuate karbi na kon. Ki gode kar dala mu khada perpetuate kari audhar endi order pass kari. Ki katha. Ki gala kar dala. Aji chakri idhar tak bar kar de bolo kobi na kon. Sidhi bhi nahi. Order apna fresh kariye ji kon. Next.
Item 39.
39.
May I please lordship in this item 39 and challenging the disengagement of the AW.
Of?
Petition.
Of? Who post it?
Anganwadi.
Anganwadi. Why you have been disengaged?
Because of the only fact that the resident certificate is
So you have
disqualified.
earlier you have been engaged.
Engaged.
But you have been selected. Then residential
In the
certificate.
center is none is there.
Huh?
In the center is none is there from their village to continue.
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
In this center where is the AWC were working, is none is there to serve the rendering this.
So no candidate was available, you want to say? Okay. No, not a single candidate available. So that's why you have been given this. And that is the only reason why you have been
no,
ousted.
OP number 4. Since he disengaged from 2017.
There was some advertisement, you applied, other people also applied, you got selected, you are the highest scorer.
Yes.
You are the highest scorer.
And out of
I repeat, you are the highest scorer.
Out of the 8, the petitioner still placed in the first one. Out of the 8. In that advertisement.
That's what I'm saying. You are the highest scorer. So accordingly, you have been you have been given the appointment letter.
Only on the basis of the residential certificate.
So because after that somebody suddenly stood off.
The petitioner's residence has been already cancelled by the Tahsildar.
So
she should approach the appellate authority. Otherwise,
cancel ka
she is outside. She has submitted for certificate that was found after.
For certificate. For residential.
No, my lord.
That is a pending.
No, my lord. They had also been survey register, kindly gone through the survey register by CDPO. A survey register finding the serial number 88.
What is the survey?
24. At page 24, my lord.
Your name is?
Rasmita Bari.
It took shelter. He took shelter in High Court. ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ ଜାଗା ଦେଇଛି ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଇଲା ସେଲ୍ଟର ନେଇଗଲେ ଇଂଲିଶ ମାନେ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଏପ୍ରୋଚ୍ ଦ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ତ ଲେଖିବେ ଟୁକ୍ ସେଲ୍ଟର ଇନ୍ ଦ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ଏମିତି ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ କଣ ଓ ଆଗରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା
Here Rosmita was there, Krishna was there. Subsequently, by virtue of the appellate order, Mamata City Opinor 5 was engaged. Now she has been disengaged. So now the center is vacant.
now fresh
Fresh.
No,
now
no,
fresh
no, my lord.
ଆଉ
Actually,
नो ଫୋନ୍ ନାହିଁ fresh ସିଏ ଗଲା ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ ଆପଣ
by,
ଗଲେ
representation by virtue.
ଆଜ୍ଞା fresh କରିଦେଲେ it will prejudice none ଯେ competent ଲୋକ ସେ ପାଇବ ଖତମ
Yes.
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ ସେ ବି ନାହିଁ better ନୂଆ ହେଲା
Revised guideline.
The first point of time, she is there. The first point
then
at the first point of time, with regard to that the writ petition has been filed.
appeal କରିଥିଲେ
Writ petition has been filed
appeal
solely on the
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ writ petition appeal କରିଥିଲେ appeal କରିଥିଲେ
ADM appeal ହେଇଥିଲା appeal has been
appeal
filed.
କଣ କହିଲେ order
Appeal tab and page 19.
page 19
Relevant portion, page 20. Page 20, last para. There is the report of the CDQ derivation.
Along with the
Yes.
so the finding that you don't belong to that area
Yes.
no, my lord, in the writ petition the file earlierly filed and
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଇ writ petition ଦେଖିବି earlier କଣ writ petition କଣ ଅଛି I am least bothered about all those writ petition ଆସିଥିବେ ଯାଇଥିବେ representation disposal ଏଇ ତ ଏଇ writ petition ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ consider
କିଛି consider ମାନେ
residential certificate actually
consider ମାନେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
sir residential certificate actually
ଆପଣ fresh କରନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଆପଣ valid ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ
Certificate ଯୋଉଟା cancel ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ challenge କରି ସେ ଅଲଗା ଯିବେ
ସେଟା challenge ତା ପାଇଁ ଅଲଗା forum ଅଛି
ସେଇଠି ଆପଣ
ଆପଣ କଣ challenge କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି
sir residential certificate
What are you challenging?
factual report at sir sir factual report RTI factual report
ଆରେ RTI ଫାଟେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆଣିବେନି RTI I hate this RTI report କିଛି ସେ RTI ମାନେ କିଛି ନଥାଏ ଯାହା ହେଲେ RTI report କି କଣ ଖାଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ଖାଇଥିଲେ କାଲି ଗୋଟେ RTI report ମୋତେ ଆଣିକି ଦେଲେ ତ କାଲି କୋଉ ତରକାରୀ ଖାଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ RTI report ये RTI report कौन अच्छी एटा कौन देखियो के चाहते हैं
so it is revealed that the CDPO report that the Mamata city remain absent from the AWC for
कैसे absent होला तो आपन को मिलिला
no my lord she disengaged in 6/6/2007
you got
ए फास्ट डिसएंगेज हेले तापर ताकू देले से डिसएंगेज बता
ओ सर उल्टा रिवर्स ओके हां एनीवे से भी डिसएंगेज हला से भी पाइला नहीं आपन पाइले नहीं दु जण डिसएंगेज हेले तो फ्रेश जाऊ फ्रेश विल प्रिजुडिस
ना मेरिट लिस्ट में
छाड़ा
so kindly
एमती पिटिशन आने के टाइम वेस्ट
I humble
इट्स humble fumble नहीं
I'll kindly
no humble I am numble next the petitioner is filing this petition being agreed by order dated 11/3/2015 passed by the collector Kendrapada confirming the order passed by the subcollector regarding the disengagement of the order petitioner from the post of Anganwadi worker. In the main ground of the petition over that the appeal before the collector pursuant to the earlier order passed by this court presiding involving the collector order is just the Anganwadi survey registers shows that the petitioner and her family members are resident under
sorry to interrupt status report Kindly.
Which status report?
That's in.
Status for vacant ଅଛି 4 ବର୍ଷ ଆଣି ଗୋଟେ ଇନଚାର୍ଜ ଅଛି।
No, other worker were working there.
That's not, you have no valid residence certificate, you cannot apply for that post.
But
It is contended that the OP number, the petitioner and the OP number 5. 4. Sorry, 4. ठीक है देखो 45. 4 the child CDPO. 5 number भी ठीक ठीक करना है. OP number 5. Both were disengaged. ऊपर एक कौन डिस्कस रखेगी सामने. Both are disengaged. Hence, it is opposite on the part of the CDPO. CDPO, there are this to issue a fresh advertisement inviting application from eligible candidates and shall complete the selection process within 3 months from today. So,
appearance में भी record.
who are you? कागज दे दो आपका appearance करो आपका मन एटी लिखा है ना जानी नहीं ना कागज से लिख दे देवे वाला कागज से दे दे कोड मत दे दो कागज.
Item 41.
Next.
Item 41.
41.
The criminal revisions are there, my lord.
Yes.
In this revision, my lord, the petitioner has paid for, my lord.
Even I need some time is because we sought for instruction and they need some time. As because we sought for instruction from forester. He has submitted all the documents for the range officer from.
Next week. Okay, not for the state 6. 1 week time to get instruction. This is the matter on 9th November. 8 November. Okay, 8 November.
42.
Lordship, in item 42, compromise is going on, your lordship. Lordship.
So you want more time?
Yes, sir. 3 weeks
for the
time.
Okay, Lord Constable, the petition submit that since there is a talk on compromise and she needs some more time. Accordingly, list the matter on 30th November.
Yes, sir, lordship. Lordship, interim order to be.
Interim order to come.
Published.
Next. 43.
43 urgent.
No urgent age.
Item 44.
44 minor 138 NI against the appeal revision appeal
sorry,
this revision lies. And I pray for some time because I have consulted with the client. His wife died before 1 month. I have told him to make the compromise within 1 month also.
Okay. Lord Constable, the petitioner 4 weeks time to
Compromise the matter.
As the compromise.
For the opposite number 2.
Compromise talk is going on. So legal 29th November. Next.
45.
45.
45, my lord, I am from the opposite party. This is arises out of.
What is this matter?
This matter is arising.
My senior is in personal difficulty, so.
138 NI conviction.
Yeah, for the petitioner.
138 NI conviction confirmed in appeal. This is the revision arising out of that. LCR and
For some time the petitioner is not well. Petitioner can't come in.
all right, the senior advocate and lordship can.
Senior advocate has in some personal difficulty.
That is so sad. I thought petitioner is coming.
Keep it to next week, any date.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the matter on 14th.
My lord.
Next, 46.
46.
May I please, my lord?
46.
My lord, I am praying for the adjournment.
Adjournment?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन अच्छी बैठ रही?
Release a vehicle under section 457. Previous occasion, your lordship has directed to take instruction.
46. 46.
Yes.
You have obtained instruction? Mr. Moon.
365/2023.
365/23.
Yes.
You have got anything?
Yes.
Whether the petitioner has filed a petition and quote below under section 457, the release of his vehicle. But the quote below as a order, he's dismissed his petition.
You file a reply.
Here I got this diary. I look at that.
Okay. Yes. Next week. Sixth. Sixth. Next.
Item 48.
48. What is the matter?
Well, this is a revision case in respect of NI Act 138.
NI.
My lord.
So, not admitted.
My lord, admitted and issue notice, my lord.
Appear karni?
No, my lord.
Non-appears on behalf of the opposite party. Opposite party kete? 2, OP2.
My lord. OP1, my
Okay. Sole OP, na?
My
No,
lord. State of Odisha.
Okay. We open a 1-1. Let 2 more weeks be granted, giving the opportunity for appearance of the number 1 in the interest of justice. Also, this is the matter on 22nd.
Oblige, my lord.
Next.
Item 49, it was adjourned, my lord. But I for the complainant, my lord. Accused has reported some 5+ both on court below.
It was adjourned.
On my mention. He was, there was not there is not.
You have any problem? You have any problem?
Yes, my lord. Can you see the last order, my lord?
Just sudden na, apna ka problem
Order
achi.
says 5 lakh deposit करते हैं तोड़ा कोर्ट से reach करके miscase file कर देते हैं.
हाँ. Key file कर, C file कर.
I am the complainant and he is the accused, my lord. In the both the courts below, appeal is confirmed. Now he has filed the revision. Then the order of conviction by the courts below.
You file a revision here, na?
He has filed.
I filed the revision.
Yes,
Okay,
accused
he
has
is
filed.
filed.
I am the complainant.
Okay. So
In two courts, I have succeeded, my lord, and he failed. Conviction was confirmed by the appellate court. He filed a revision. The last was given manner to deposit 5 lakhs within on court below.
that he has deposited.
Yes, I already reported.
I filed a miscase for release of the amount, my lord.
Release. Let's decide now.
My lord, now, my lord, in two courts he has failed. Conviction is confirmed. Amount of rupees 32 lakhs.
Deposit आपका पैसा तो अच्छी सीटी का
The amount is 16,82,000 support amount. But the trial court direct for payment of 23 lakhs.
से 20% deposit करना है तोड़ा कोर्ट रे पंदो ना ट्रायल कोर्ट ना appellate court
आपन करन ताले
से
5 lakhs to deposit कली
5 lakh करछन
on being released on bail subject to deposit of 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
I have deposited for 5 lakhs. Interim bail was granted till 31st today. And on my mention it was adjourned to.
ठीक है.
I have filed miscase for मेरा तो deposit shall
तो
not
सेटी
be
करिवे मिसकेस से पैसे रिलीज करिवे बेटी
नहीं इटी order है लिखी shall not be disposed without leaving of this court, my lord. Order है चेदर last order है.
So you want to withdraw?
Yes, yes, correct. You can say the last order on 22/9/93. The deposit shall not be disposed without any order of this court, my lord. Order number 3 dated 22/9/23. 22/9.
Not consider the petitioner. Is the further open number. कहते I कहते फिर कुछ.
Solo P, my lord.
I के कोड़ा.
I am, my lord, 759, my lord. हाँ देखो.
Not consider the opposite party. Solo P. File an IA praying for.
What is
Praying for allowing the release of rupees 5 lakh in favor of the opposite party in connection with the ICC case number 31 of 2017 in the interest of justice. As so, you don't have any problem. Let him take money. Okay. So the accordingly the JMFC Kantavanji.
Yes, JFC Kantavanji.
JFC Kantavanji is directed to release the order, release the said amount
5 lakhs.
Release rupees 5 lakh as deposited by the petitioner
In favor of the complainant, complainant opposite party.
in favor of the opposite party slash complaint.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I disposal.
May I please, my lord, since your lordship, it was extended 30th, prior to 30th, fix up a date so that the matter can be
Huh?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. No issues.
List the matter on
25th November. as well.
24th.
As your lordship.
Yes, yes.
24 also I may not be there.
Yes,
But
sir.
the 26th November. I will come. 22nd though.
Yes.
22nd.
Yes. And the order I have mentioned, your lordship, that interim order was extended till 31st November. Till 30th. Yes.
Interim order to continue till
Till then, my lord.
30th. Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Item 50.
50.
Obliged.
Yeah, please, yes. The petitioner aggrieved on order at 27/9/23 filed on JMFC Banpur regarding rejection of the petition 457 for release of the vehicle. The fact of
You have the
case-
reply? Have you filed the reply?
In this case, confiscation or proceeding already started. Vehicle already produced before the authorized officer. And at this juncture, 71 and 72 of the Excise Act came into force. There is a power to release vehicle during pendency of the confiscation.
Okay.
That's it. That is before
Yours
concluding
by direct
proceeding.
Let the proceeding is over.
Yes.
Let it be liable for some time.
That's it.
Let it be over. 40 is surgical.
There is no notice to me. There is no chance of different.
अरे सर सेठी जाके ये करो सेठी जाके कौन तू मते नोटिस देई नहीं कौन
Magistrate orders.
Magistrate rejection 71 to
मैजिस्ट्रेट ने एप्लीकेशन पे मते नोटिस देई नहीं बाबू कहले काई
not complied. मते
अब
किछ
जानी ना जाके ये रावत ना ठीक कहले कौन सही कोर्ट पे जान तू
Lordship's judgment has prevailed in this regard.
मो जजमेंट कौन करियो
नहीं appear पर reject किए
सेटा प्रोसीडिंग्स रे आपण पार्टिसिपेट करे पड़िबो ना आपण नकले केंदी हो
There's a participant chance.
you participate yes लगा let the so I'm disposing it of then
Yes.
Hey,
Yes,
Rocky,
yes,
Rocky.
directing the authorized officer to dispose of the confiscation.
okay the in view of the submission made by the parties this court is of the view that let what is that officer authorized officer
Authorized officer. Collector.
let the authorized officer
Superintendent of Excise for the
slash superintendent of excise Khordha dispose of the
miscase number
23
oblique 2023 24
23 oblique
2023
2023 2020
24
23 कोड আছে দেখে দাও না মই দেখি পারনি
page 18 middle
80
18 1
18 years.
2023 2024 23 by 2023
okay
23 oblique 2023 happened 20 last page of
First,
page
first para. First para.
দেখি তো
9 10 line.
20 আগে কারেক্ট লিখে দিয়ে দাও নাতি পাউনি
23 oblique
23 oblique
2023
2022
Yes,
2020
23
हाँ
2023 24
2023 or 2024
yes
okay
financial year yes
financially okay and the authorized officer to dispose of the complete the confiscation proceedings within 1 month from today and pass a region about by giving due opportunity of hearing to the opposite party okay dispose of yeah
or else just for the authorized officer notice how dharkar padibo
the petition is directed to appear before the authorized officer and put forth his position
and from that date 1 month
and the said proceeding be completed within 1 month from the date of his appearance before the said court.